Hey, welcome everybody to the J Bo and Silk Holler show where we talk about stocks and cryptocurrency. We talk about current news and we talk about everything that's going on with financial news. So let's start it off with cryptocurrency. Today, analysts have changed their perception on Ethereum. They're now saying after Ethereum's transformation to Ethereum 2.0, which will happen in May or June, it will surpass Bitcoin in revenue price because it's going to drop. So I'm looking at that news right now. And if you guys don't know, on previous shows, I was trying to tell everybody that Ethereum could be a big game changer coming up. Now, Ethereum right now, as it stands, is at 1,800 bucks. Bitcoin is at 59,000, I believe, which is almost near its all-time high. And once they do that upgrade to Ethereum, that could be a big play in the market. So everybody pay attention to that. Ethereum is on the rise. Also, when we get back to stocks, the U.S. Treasury yields have actually paused right now. So today we could probably expect the market to go up some while those U.S. Treasury bond yields are paused. And if you don't know, the last couple of weeks it has caused a decline in the market, and it's a big fear for a lot of people. So watch those U.S. Treasury bond yields, and hopefully we have better days coming up. Also, Kathy Woods, ARK Invest, she has a new price target for Tesla. Tesla has jumped off of the news. Her new price target for Tesla by 2025 is $3,000 a share. So the EV market is banging, and you guys should really look out for the for Kathy Woods. If you guys don't know, Kathy Woods is the lady I always talk about on this show. She is the head of ARK Invest. She has an ETF over there with a couple of companies that they have involved with it. So if you really, really, really paying attention right now, Tesla's price target is going to be 3,000 by 2025. This lady is a home run hitter. You know? And so make sure you pay attention to that because she always brings it, and I always pay attention when she brings it. So I definitely remember I told you I bought into Tesla. So I actually bought into Tesla when you was talking about it, and the price target was reachable. You know what I'm saying? I think it's at a six something now, but in the pre-market it looked like it's going up. So off of that news, Tesla has jumped. So I expect the EV market to jump too. She's anticipating that they'll have autonomous driving vehicles by 2025. I know Tesla has driving vehicles now, but she's saying that it should be uh, perfected by 2025, and we will have cars on the road that are driving by themselves. So that price target, once it hits 3,000, which I'm sure it will, if you've been watching, innovation has been crazy with Elon Musk and Tesla lately, and I could definitely see that price hitting 3,000. You know, I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and stuff like that, and they have been a lot of them are in Tesla right now. You know, I think Meet Kevin, if you guys know who Meet Kevin off of YouTube, he got 47% of his portfolio in Tesla. You know what I'm saying? So yes, 47% of his portfolio is in Tesla. I think Meet Kevin got $22 million. So that tells you something. You know what I'm saying? That's an opportunity for everybody that's listening right now. That is a great thing to do. Let's get this first message. So, oh,
And J-Vo, so what's good, bros? Just seeing if you checked out that NBA Top Shot or not. That's all, man. Hope y'all had a good weekend, man. I'm here at work.
NBA
What's good?
Top Shot.
What's good?
Hey, look, there's another thing I wanted to talk to the listeners about today is NBA Top Shot. I actually did, man. And you know what? It's so hot right now that you have to get on the waiting list to actually get on the site. NBA Top Shot is where they sell NBA cards as NFTs. When we was always talking about digital art and stuff like that, it's real hot right now. It's so hot that they have to have a waiting list because they say they are overcapacitated right now. So if anybody's looking, NFTs are taking off. That's the next part of the news I was going to give you guys. NFTs are going crazy. You have celebrities who are now joining in. I think it was Ja Rule, Elion, and a couple other celebrities. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon to actually sell NFTs. I think you can sell music and stuff like that. So it's getting big. So it's getting real big. And I'm trying to tell people before it blows up. Shout out to my man for giving us that gym at NBA Top Shot, man, because you guys got to check that out.
I'm actually on the waiting list.
You on the waiting list? Yeah, we both on the waiting list. Y'all go check that out. That NBA Top Shot, we both are on the waiting list for that because NFTs are the next thing. Non-fungible tokens are the next thing to explode. When I tell you guys explode, I mean explode. In about a year or two, will be so big, it's going to be too late. So you guys make sure you get on that site and you get on the waiting list and just see, even if you're not in the NBA trading cards, you're not, but you are into making money, right? Everybody that's listening is into making money. So go to that site, see what's going on, and see what you can do to get in the game because that is free. That is good money to make.
Real quick, I want to tell everybody my hot little pick. I was telling everybody I basically got in BNGO at $9.08. That's where I was like, oh man. But it's up in the pre-market at $9.31. My strategy for getting out of this stock is at $10 or $10.50, so I can make a decent amount of profit for the week. So that's my target. I'm getting out. I'm in at $9.08, and I will get out at $10. I'll probably stretch it to like $10 and make me some good money, but I'll probably get out at $10.50. That's the target.
Okay. All right. Hey, one more
piece. Good morning, everybody. It takes me a minute to wake up. So good morning, everybody.
Yeah, and I got some other stuff to reveal later on the show. One more piece of news for you guys is we always talk about Bitcoin mining on this show. Bitcoin mining revenue on March 18th reached over $64 million for one day. Now, we've been giving you guys stock ticker symbols, stuff like that. I'm trying to tell you, we are on top of it. You just have to listen and take these opportunities. Bitcoin mining is going to go through the roof. It's already reached 64 million in one day on March 18th. That's the highest in recorded history, which means that stocks like SOS Limited, Mara, MARA, Riot Blockchain, RIT, those are going to go up soon. So keep your eyes out for those stock ticker symbols. Let's get some
right now.
Go ahead, Silk.
Right now, today is a good day to jump on these Riot blockchains because they're down in the pre-market $2-3.
Yes.
So I was just looking. Like SOS is a good one too. $7.67. So
yeah. $7.
But it's definitely down in the market. It's definitely down in the market.
Expect stocks to actually go up. I think U.S. Treasury bond yields, anytime that goes up and fears of inflation happen, the stock market gets killed, especially the biotech sector. So everybody watch today. The pre-market is looking pretty good, but we're going to find out in the next 20 minutes what the market is looking like because a lot of stocks fluctuate within the first 30 minutes to an hour. And once volume kicks up, it really fluctuates between 9 and 12. Let's get these messages, Silk.
Yo, I'm not even gonna hold you. I did not know there was a waiting list because I'm on there already. But yo, not for nothing. Link me on the Twitter, and we could probably do some kind of exclusive something where I can really show you what it is with me, like on it and all that.
Oh no, man! I appreciate you guys. You dropping the gem on us about NBA Top Shots. A wait list on there, so anybody that wants to get into that, just know that it's a waiting list. And once you do get in, if you get in before we do, let us know how it is, because that's where you trade those NBA cards and you get actual money for them. I want to know how it is, man. People are trading these cards for thousands. You can get a dunk. Like this is what I learned about NFTs and NBA Top Shop. You can get paid off a moment. Like LeBron James, let's take him for example. If he's dunking a ball, you can actually capture that moment and sell it, which is kind of crazy. I think LeBron dunking the ball sold for 60,000 last night or something like that. That's how crazy this digital market is going to be. You can take anything and make it digital and make it into an NFT, a non-fungible token, and you can sell it for money. Man, I can't believe that's hot fire for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? That's hot fire.
I listened to the podcast our last podcast. That shit was fire. So what I did was I bought some over the counter stock, OTC. I bought BTZI, which Big Time was telling us on.
Didn't somebody tell us about that? BTZI.
No, that was a Spirit Bear. Spirit Bear told us about that BTZI. And then I bought some more Hello Kitty shares. So right now I have what is that? 62,000 shares of BTZI, and then I bought $10,000 worth of Hello Pal. It's gonna be a green day today, baby.
Hey, today is definitely going to be like anybody that's worried about the stock market going down today. It's looking good. You know what I'm saying? I have been wrong before, but I'm thinking this Monday is going to be Money Monday. You understand? It's going to be Money Monday.
Money Monday, bro. I'm
feeling Money Mondays. That's what we call it, Money Mondays. That's why we come on Mondays, because really Monday almost determines a lot of the time how the stock market is going to look for the week. Sometimes, sometimes it doesn't, but most likely Monday is where you get the catalyst from. So I'm hoping stocks stay up today. I'm hoping my baby Sensonics, if you guys don't know, that's newly tuning in. I put 25 grand in. I actually put a couple another grand into Sensonics, SENS, stock ticker symbol SENS. I'm hoping that it comes up, man. I bought in at $4.60. It has been down since, but once it goes up, oh my good Lord, this company has huge potential. Let's hope that they capitalize on it and they actually, kill the market. So I'm gonna be watching them closely in this next couple of weeks as we wait on FDA approval and they get the approval for that 180-day device for diabetes. So let's hope that goes up. So I'll be really happy. It'll make me really happy for that to go up. Let's get these messages.
Is this restricted to residents of the United States?
No. We talk to everybody. Anybody that want to tune in, we talk to them.
Oh, he's talking about.
I didn't make myself clear earlier on. I was talking about the NBA Top Shop.
Right. He's talking about the NBA Top Shop.
Residents of the United States.
Oh. Is that limited to, did anybody know that? Is that limited to the United States? The NBA Top Shop site we've been talking about a lot of, is that limited to the United States? I don't think that's limited to the United States, is it? If it is, yeah, somebody tune in and let us know that if NBA Top Shop is limited to the United States. I'm actually not sure about that. All I know is I'm on the waiting list and I'm on the waiting list to get money. You get what I'm saying? So once I get into NBA Top Shop, I'm probably going to buy my first NFT. Now, I talked to you guys on the show about NFTs before. It's that digital artwork, the digital music, all of that. I think for the first time that I'm actually going to buy one and I'm going to hold it so the value goes up and then I'm going to sell it. You understand what I'm saying? So this is a high market that you guys can jump on and you can actually get in and make some money before people get so hot on it. Maybe people are already hot on it because it's a waiting list. They flat out tell you when you come to the site, hey, we are being overrun by people and the excitement because you have the celebrities that have come out now publicly and they're using sites like NBA Top Shop and they're selling their stuff too. Could you imagine just selling a dunk? Could you imagine just selling something that you did simply in the game for hundreds of thousands of dollars? Elon Musk, I think he wanted to sell his NFT. He decided against it because he's already so rich. But man,
let's check the stock market before it open up. S&P 500 is up 2% on the day, and NASDAQ is up 7% on the day so far. So we looking green, man. Overall in the marketplace, I'm ready to get it.
Hey, look, anytime we can talk about green days for you guys, it's a good day for everybody in the room. Excellent day for everybody in the room. And shout out to everybody who signed up for the Pi Network. That's the social media cryptocurrency we've been talking to you guys about that you can get for free if you sign up. I left a link on my Twitter you guys can check out. We actually have 11 to 12 people that are mining Pi right now on the network. So I appreciate everybody joining in to get in that. If you don't know what Pi is, it's that social media cryptocurrency. And it's something that's on the leading edge. Once they release that, it's going to be big. It's getting bigger and bigger. When I joined it, it was 30 million active users. It is now up to 40 million active users. So just go ahead and check that out. It's the Pi Network. If you don't know, you better know. So let's get some more messages. So,
Yo, what are some of the good sites to check out as far as these NFTs go?
I'm on NFTs. I'm on Rarible. It's RARIBLE.com. I'm on Rarible.com. So if you guys want to check out NFTs and you keep hearing us talk about these NFTs that you don't understand, go on that site and take a look at what we're talking about. You know, they have digital artwork on there and that people pay for. So once you go on these sites, it's a couple of other sites like OpenSea. You got OpenSea, Rarible, NBA Top Shot, like we've been talking about. Go on those sites to see what we're talking about. And Chase, I know you tuned in. You are actually an artist. So if you like to draw or do anything like that, this is perfect for you to put up your artwork digitally. You can draw something, put it up digital. Somebody will pay you for it. You understand what I'm saying? So this is a perfect opportunity for anybody that's an artist or who can draw, who never thought you had a place to do it before. Guess what? Now you can make the money that you always dreamed of. Let's get some more messages.
Hey, I just opened up my my Twitter account too, by the way. So at Holla _Silk. So that's my it's still Silk Holla, but for some reason they got it at Holla _ Silk. So that's Silk, my Twitter name.
Put it under your profile so they can get to it. Like, I think you got to put it under your profile. We're going to get verified on this site real soon. Put it under your profile so they can get to it.
Okay.
So for sure, it is Money Market Mondays. The futures is looking real good. Everything that was red on Sunday is green at 9 a.m. on Monday. I am ready. I feel it, brother. Speaking into existence.
Hey, man. Hey, look, man. We love positive energy here. That's what we do in this financial community.
I'm gonna tell everybody right now, man. I had an epiphany yesterday, and I wrote this on my board, and I want everybody to listen up on the vision board. I said, y'all got to be basic, just like this. I said, I will get 168,000 in 3 weeks. And then you write the date. I am, my real name. 168,000 in 3 weeks. That's my project on this, starting on this day, March 22nd.
What's the ticker? How you gonna make this happen, so?
You got to manifest it, bro. Right now, I expect to make money off BNGO. I'm not sure the how much money I'm gonna make on BNGO, but I'm gonna make a substantial amount of money on BNGO, and then we'll see where BTZI and Hello Pal take off.
I'm about to jump in that BN, man, because anytime you jump in something or do, it always goes up, man. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and put my money into there right now because we were waiting for it to go down, but it seemed like when you do it, it goes way up, and I'm like, man, let me jump in there right now. Let me jump in there this morning, actually. So while I'm probably gonna be buying some BNGO.
BNGO is hot right now, but look at the 9:30, see how it do. Like, wait until like 9:35. Some people like to get that little 30 cents that it jumped up. Because I bought in at $9.08. And right now in the pre-market, it's at $9.32. So wait 5 minutes after the market open up to see how it's performing. But if it look like it's shooting up, jump on it before it gets to $10.30. I mean, $10. Once you get up $1, it might drop a little bit, but you definitely want to check and see when can you get in.
That's stock BNGO, everybody.
Yeah, I'm watching it like a hawk right now because I had that little loss of $80K, so I'm definitely going to get that back. I got a new project that I'm on, and I'm manifesting this stuff. So we about to hit big today. So check it out. Real time results.
Hey, I see that Stereo has changed it up. When you go to take a message now, you can actually look at the messengers. Like I'm taking messages now, and you can actually see who's sending the messages now. So shout out to Stereo for upgrading over the weekend, man. I'm looking like, man, you can actually look at who.
Bro, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you that I've been in. I got some pieces, some moments and all that. Maybe I'll give you the exclusive. You can see the inside, you feel me, like on some video or something.
Hey, Soap, man, you still working in that furniture shop? Hey, I remember he was working in, this the guy that was working in the furniture factory that kept telling us about NBA Top Shot. So, hey, man, we've been talking about that all morning, man. That's a gem that you dropped on us that we've been talking about all morning. So shout out to you, man. Keep making that money in that furniture place, man. I'm going to go to my job today. That's something else I wanted to drop on everybody. My job called me back. I got to go up there today to find out whether I'm going to be working or I'm going to be financially free. So maybe I'll make some extra money. Who knows?
Oh, this is the perfect time to sign up for Webull in these instances, because the pre-market, a lot of people getting into this pre-market, taking advantage of these gains before everybody can get access to them. So that's why I was just saying, man, the pre-market, it is good to have different types of different type of platforms. So you can get in before the pre-market come, and because you can have like a 28 or 28-cent gain right now just getting in the pre-market.
Yeah. Hey, does anybody in here have more than one platform? Because what I've been finding out lately, Silk, is a lot of people only know Robinhood. They only know about the main stuff. If you guys are serious about stocks, you want to get on multiple trading platforms. Robinhood is it's like I said, it's like iPhone to Android. You got Robinhood, you got Webull, you got all these other cryptocurrency exchanges. It's so many things that you guys can do right now to change up the platform. I was just talking to my sister, Silk, and she only has one platform, and my brother only has one platform. They don't know about the other platforms that you can use. So you got Robinhood, you got Webull, you got TD Ameritrade, you got Fidelity, you got Maryland Lynch. There's so many different platforms that you guys should have your money on, because you want to be diversified in the, you want to be really diversified. It's the betterment for you. I think all these accounts are FDIC insured too, up to $250,000. So you guys want to put your money around. That's what rich people do. I was just reading a survey about 20 minutes ago saying that most rich Americans hide 21% of their income overseas and on different platforms. That's to keep them from getting taxed. You understand what I'm saying? That's active news on Yahoo. And I was like, man, I was kind of shocked. I was like, wow, people hiding their money so they don't have to pay taxes. Interesting. Let's get these messages. So we got more than 9 of them.
Have you been to Britain?
Good eye, mate. I would love to go to Britain.
Hey,
London.
We haven't been to Britain. We haven't been there, but maybe one day with our financial freedom, we'll be going.
I have an Australian voice, like.
Let's get another one.
Yo, so the Top Shot is not limited to only U.S. citizens, but it does not allow, for some reason, Chase Bank nor Bank of America, just so you know.
Shoot, you act like that's bad. Shoot, I hate Chase Bank and I hate Bank of America. Listen, if you guys got a regular bank account, I hate banks. You know what I'm saying? I usually go to credit unions. I bought my house through a credit union. You know what I'm saying? Banks have too many fees for me, man. Credit unions got fees too. But what I've learned about credit unions is they actually work with you better, man. Chase Bank and Bank of America, they all greedy to me. Like I don't know. I wouldn't work with them anyway.
4 minutes into the market, man. I'm doing push-ups right now, dog. I'm ready to get it in. Green
Chill.
Monday. Let's get messages.
Stop doing push-ups. You stop doing push-ups.
Hey Javo, you just mentioned that pie. Actually, I'm on there too, but I just got onto another one called B. I don't know if you heard about that.
No, Spirit Bear, what's up, man? Good morning to you, man. Hope you had a good weekend because it's gonna be green today. No, I didn't, man. I haven't heard of B.
Hey, Spirit Bear. Hey, shout out to you on giving us that BTZI. BTZI. If you want, you can come back on the message and explain what BTZI is. I got 62,000 shares. So if that hit off the OTC market, I'm gonna have to get you. I'm gonna have to get your cash out because I got you.
Hey, look, that's cool. You said you make some money, you're gonna send him some cash, huh?
Right.
Let's get it.
Hey, yeah, Javo. Another thing that you just mentioned is that NFTs, right? And I'm gonna say it here, so it's gonna be recorded up on this show for the first time. Anybody's gonna hear it. You know, I'm a musician, and in the next couple releases, I'm gonna be having a song that I'm gonna drop where I'm actually gonna be putting NFTs available for sale to pair with it. And I guarantee you, once I start making a name for myself more than I already have, those NFTs are going to be worth so much money. So that's just a little taste of a drop of stuff that I got coming for y'all. So look for that. I'm Spirit Bear on all platforms.
Hey man, he ahead of the game, man. He ahead of the game. He really is.
What's going on, man? It's fucking Monday, bro. Monday, bro. Hey, I'm so hyped right now, bro. I can't even control myself because I feel like it's the time to make money is now, bro. Like,
I feel like my fortune is gonna change this week.
It's going down, man. It's looking good.
Yeah. Let's get some more of them down.
Also, man, besides the Rarible, you should look at the ECOMI, ecomi.com. They got like all types of stuff, man. Batman, NFL, Star Wars, Powerpuff Girls, all types of exclusive stuff, man. You gotta see them.
Did you get that, Silk?
What is it?
You know what? We could always re-listen to it. We got to get that, man, because he dropped the NBA top shots before, but we wasn't into it as much. We got to get what he was just talking about just now. I love you guys, man, for dropping these gems. We actually take this and we actually go in the market and we spend our money on what you guys talk about. So if I don't know about something and you guys let us know, you not only letting us know, you letting everybody in here listen and letting them know too how they can make money. So that's very appreciated when you guys tune in with stuff like that. So know we always hear you. I think Silk was just thanking Spirit Bear because he done bought a whole lot of money into something that one of you guys were talking about. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get these messages down. So
hey, Silk, is the BNGO the catalyst for that is their upcoming earning reports?
Right. The BNGO, the catalyst is the upcoming report. But I was just telling Javo, watch it. They are all the pre-market guys got in and they got out. So right now we at BNGO is at $9.27. So that might be a good time to get in, but wait like 5 minutes to see how it's reacting. Now people are starting to put orders in. So okay, So now I'm looking at it. They starting to put orders in. Now it's going up. So let's get this money, man.
Why is it going up?
It's going up because their earnings report is coming. So
okay. Oh, I was like, why are you so bullish on this? It's like I got to get in. I'm about to do my research right now.
Word, respect to y'all brothers' platforms. Just wanted to throw some stuff out that I'm looking at today right now. The blockchain stocks is popping. MARA, Marathon Patent Group, Riot Blockchain, RIOT. I'm also getting some more shares in EBIX. That's been really hitting my expectations. Another small little penny stock trading is SNDL that I've been liking a lot as well. And ZOM, Zomedica Corp as well. This is some of the tickers that I'm looking at, and I've been getting some really good bets in. GoPro also looks promising as well, continuing on its runs this week. All love, brothers. Love the energy.
Hey, man. Hey, all the stock ticker symbols he mentioned, I got ZOM. I got most of the stuff he talking about. So, hey, shout out to you, man. You on top of the cutting edge. You know what I'm saying? You with it right there. I got a lot of the stocks he was just talking about. Except for that EPIX.
Long term, a good stock to get into for the long term is ChargePoint. ChargePoint is at a decent price. It might go down to like $19, but from here, $23 and $19 is a good move for ChargePoint. Because if you think about it, where ExxonMobil at in price, that's where ChargePoint gonna be at in the future, like in the next 10 years. So definitely want to jump on ChargePoint and get like 1,000 shares. Buy in on this ChargePoint before it just take off, because it will be 100 plus in like 5 to 10 years.
Yeah, that, and then we're gonna talk more about this Tesla, Cathie Woods, because she set it on fire the other day. This is the same lady who said Tesla was going to explode, and it did, and a lot of people made money the first time. She changed her predictions again, man. I talked about her at the show, and she's saying that the stock is going to hit $3,000. Now, as of this moment, I have about 7 or 8 shares of Tesla. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping that it explodes and it goes crazy. You guys jump on that opportunity. I think Tesla is low right now, and and this lady is like an all-star in the game. You think of what Michael Jordan was, NBA, Cathie Woods right now is that to the financial market. So when she says, people pucker up their ears and they listen. So you're going to go ahead and look at that. Look at the Tesla price. I know that the stock price for Tesla is high, but you could make some serious money if this lady is right, and she has rarely ever been wrong. Let's get these messages down, Silk.
Hey Javo, a little bit off subject, but that NBA Top Shot you mentioned, I literally just signed up for it, and then they just accepted me within like 5 minutes. I already opened up an account just now.
No, man. Hey, look, that's crazy, because when I got in there, look, I'm still on the waiting list. It's gotta be
still on.
Yeah, what kind of crap is that, man? It must, what, Spirit Bear? It must be where, it must be segmented out throughout United States. Like you probably somewhere in a different state. We in Michigan. So they probably do it like that. We still on the waiting list. I signed up 2 days ago. He said he just got in 5 minutes.
That's crazy.
Y'all go ahead and try to get into that site and let me know how fast you guys get in there, because I'm still on the waiting list.
So I'm on this Top Shot now, and it seems like they got a Discord chat. I don't know if you know about Discord. It's like a community where everybody can talk about stuff and send messages to each other. It's like a chat room, but NBA Top Shot has their own Discord channel that they invited me to. So I'm checking out that right now.
It's probably because he's popular, man. You did say you said you did music and all that stuff. I'm looking like, man, we can't even get verified on stereo. Hey, he done got on the wait list and got through quick.
That's crazy, man. Like, I'm just looking at this like, what the hell is going on?
Yeah, we trying to get in too, man. I'm trying to get some of that money, Spirit Bear. They won't let me get it.
Oh, baby.
There's different assets on different exchanges.
Hey, J-Bro, I just got in. I just logged in. So So yeah, I'm about to purchase my first pack right now, bro.
Wow. Now I think they got different things. Like when you guys log into the NBA Top Shop, for anybody just logging in, it's where you go and you sell NBA cards and anything to do with the NBA. You can sell it on there. Like I gave an example before, LeBron Duncan, and you can actually tie music to these pieces of digital art. So I can't wait. I'm going to explore when we get off the air. I'm going to go and I'm going to see what I can do. I'm probably going to get a starter pack or probably spend $500 to $600 because I want to get into the market while it was hot. And then I'm going to hold on to it for about a year or 6 months. And I'm going to watch the value of that rise up. You know, so don't think of it when you guys go and purchase the stuff. Don't think of it as you losing $500 to $600. Think it as doubling value or your value over time. I know a lot of people don't understand artwork, but artwork goes up in value over time. That's how a lot of celebrities have kept their money. Because if you put your money in art, it's going to do nothing but rise, just like an asset, like your house. You know what I'm saying? So, and this is such a hot thing right now. It's only going to go higher in the future. So let's get some more messages. So.
Yes. I'm currently using Coinbase for crypto. I'm using Webull for my options. I'm using Thinkorswim, which is a part of TD Ameritrade, and TD Ameritrade mostly for a lot of my shares, along with Cash App as a trial and error for fractional shares and purchases.
Yeah, and we also always give a lot of different platforms like Voyager and Phoenix, and I've talked about crypto trading bots on here with Pionex, Pionex. So I look, anytime you guys want to know or anything, you just chime in, and we'll gladly update you on what's going on. You know, so like I was just telling you, just be diversified in your platforms. You know what I'm saying? That way you don't have all your eggs in one basket and you don't have to be worried. You know, try to get organized with it. Be organized with your money.
Man, I heard about this type of account. I can't remember what the name of it was. It began with an M, where you can basically like put all your brokers through it, so it's like all under one platform. So,
so keep talking about putting everything under one platform. I think they got programs where you could take Coinbase and Voyager and link them all to one place so you can see everything at one time. But I would tell you my fears about that is when you take a platform, it's kind of like, what do you call that? Solidifying all your bills at one time, putting all your bills under one umbrella. That's kind of what he's talking about. I don't want to do that because crypto is still hackable. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was just about to say.
These exchanges are still hackable, not the coin itself. This is where everybody gets messed up. Crypto doesn't get hacked. It's the exchanges that hold crypto that get hacked. You know what I'm saying? So you guys got to understand. Come on. Oh, you know, Bitcoin ain't safe. Bitcoin got hacked. I said, no, it didn't. The exchange that's holding it hacked. So you want to be careful putting everything in one umbrella, putting all your eggs in one basket. You don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm staying away from that for right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm unsure about that. I don't know. Once it gets big, there might be a major hack on somewhere. That's why we keep wallets. We talked about wallets before, but we'll get off into that when somebody else asks us about
it. Just wanted to say from London, really like what you guys are doing. Keep it up. Really good. Positive vibes.
Hey man, we love talking about this money, man. That's why I'm up with my coffee in my hand. And you know what? The market just opened, didn't it?
Yeah, the market just opened up.
Give us a market update, Silk. You was talking about that BNGO so much. I think I'm about to go buy some right now.
Right now we have the Riot blockchain. It hasn't even moved just yet. Oh, it just jumped. $58.70. Riot blockchain. They say it's down 1.9% so far on the day. We have Mara, MARA. That's at $38.36. That's Then we have SOS at $7.47, down 2% on the day so far. So the morning is just right now it's a good time to get in BNGO. BNGO is right back at its current time at it just hit under $9. BNGO just hit under $9. So
Hey,
the
my
market is right now just fluctuating. It's a lot of people doing their trading out. They getting in the pre-market and then trading out after the pre-market. So this is a good time to jump on it, especially if they have their good news.
Hey,
Then we have Sensonic Holdings is at $9. And then we have Sensonic Holding is at $2.89. Then we have NN Nano Dimensions. That's at $10.29. I'm basically just looking at these the hot Geno stocks right now. So if anybody is interested, that's why I call off these Geno stocks, because I'm in the Geno market right now. So
yeah, well, that's what's gonna be hot, man. I hope you guys that's listening, that you guys actually sitting down with a pen and paper or something like that. Like I said, we get a lot of people in this room that's new. So when we giving off these stock ticker symbols, these companies are companies that we believe in, and we talk about these companies all the time. So when we saying those symbols, those are symbols that you guys should be looking into or maybe writing down. So if you're there right now, write down these symbols or take a look at it while we're talking about it and follow these stocks. Let's get some of these messages down. We already got over 10.
Shout out to my boy Spirit Bear. I just got off of my live broadcast and I put him onto that. It's just like Pi. It's a little bit faster in mining than Pi, but it has that same social networking, halving with the population's rate. Their goal is 1 billion users.
1 billion users. So, hey, we got to get that down. Like I've been talking to you guys about that Pi network, that the first social media cryptocurrency that's going to go live. And if it doesn't work out, guess what? You did it for free. So that's the mining community that we're doing. I'm going to look into this new community that Spirit Bear brought up, and then my man's brought up, Thaddeus. Shout out to you, man, for listening. And we love hearing opportunities like that. So hopefully you wrote that down, Silk. If not, I'm going to read it.
I actually posted my link for Pi in my bio. So if anybody interested, if y'all new, just go ahead and join up. So and that's it. Let's get to the next message. I'm watching these stocks, bro. So I'm kind of off right now.
No, I got you. Don't worry about it.
Hey, that's what's up. You got on that BTZI. All right. I would say hold on to that one because it's going to keep going, man. But yeah, I'm glad you got on that too. That means, okay, maybe I'm going to go buy some more probably. All right. But yeah, BTZI is basically, they got a blockchain going for cannabis companies, because cannabis companies have a hard time right now because all of their funds are tied up in cash because they can't deposit it into federal banks. So it kind of solves that problem for them.
Man, I heard something new about cannabis stocks, that they got access to banks. I think recently a news article came out about them having access to banks coming up. So you guys should watch marijuana stocks too. Marijuana stocks are probably going to explode in this next coming 6 months. But I've always been really edgy about the marijuana stocks because they iffy, man. I would strictly get into it as a pump and dump kind of right now. Like once it goes up, I would sell, and I know it's going to go down. I think just about a month ago, all the marijuana stocks went crazy off of some news about it going legal. You know what I'm saying? It getting legal. Once they legalize these marijuana stocks, you're going to make some serious money. But until that happens, I really wouldn't anticipate that happen until this pandemic is over, because I think the government is definitely focused on the pandemic and getting this COVID thing over with. Once that's done, guess what's going to happen? I guarantee you they're going to start talking about legalizing marijuana. You know what I'm saying? It's been on the desk. It's been on the public's conscious mind for a minute, and everybody is waiting on that. When that happens, these companies are gonna go crazy.
I'm gonna give y'all an update on bots right now. Bots is up 6% right now. Like, yeah, let's get it. Let's get it.
Hey.
I already said, bro. Something told me to load up on this boy yesterday by being so low like this at 1 cent or 18 cent. Is that 18 cent? Yeah, that's 18 cent. So now it's up 9%. So bot is just rising right now as we speak.
Wow.
So shout out to Spirit Bear on that.
Let's get some more messages, Silk. Well, that wasn't a good message.
Yeah, welcome to the show.
What's up, Silk Holla and J-Bo TV? Yeah, he's talking about OMI. That's who he's talking about. I told you guys about that last week.
OMI. He did, and he sure did come on the show and talk about OMI. I think he corrected it.
For some reason, I couldn't get into OMI on VEVE app. I signed into VEVE app, and I was like, okay, where and how to get into this app right now? I mean, to buy OMI.
I think Brandy was trying to get into it too. We got another listener, Brandy. She was trying to buy that, and it's so much of this new technology coming out. They make you download 100 different apps just to get, you know what I'm saying, the different stuff. Like right now, I'm in the process of doing Fidelity because I want to buy over-the-counter stocks. You know what I'm saying? That's where the money is at, is in the real cheap stocks, because you can make a lot of money off these stocks. I'm interested in that BPTZI y'all was talking about. I really want to get into that. And it's another one you was talking about.
BTZI, and then Hello Pal. Let me check that out right now. Where is that at? Because I just loaded up on Hello Pal too. So Hello Pal is at $1.43 now. It's up 2% in the marketplace. That's one that you definitely want to jump on, because once everybody take notice of it, it's gonna jump up $5. My target out, it was gonna be like $5 or $6 on that before I jump back, take my little profit that I have right now. But that's definitely something that you want to be watching. Hello Pal.
Silk must be getting the call.
I apologize. That's a call.
Yeah, I know. Let's get some of these messages down, Silk.
Yeah.
No, OMI is the crypto. You basically buy the actual coin from Bitforex. That's where you buy the coin, and the actual app that has been powered by is the VV app. That's where you can buy all the collectible NFTs with all the companies that have partnerships to basically do the collectibles. So yeah, OMI is not a stock or nothing like that. It's a crypto. You basically buy the crypto from Bitforex, and it's still trading a little bit over a penny right now. I've already doubled my account from 25 to a little bit over 5,000 within a week.
Man, I'm about to jump on this, man. I'm about to jump on this opportunity right now. So, Silk, did you hear that? You got to buy it on Bitforex. And I think VV is just where you see the information. You know what I'm saying? He said buy it on Bitforex. If anybody listening, take this information and use this information and make you some money. You know what I'm saying? Make you some money, make yourself happy, or make your situation better.
Also, guys, just so you know, I'm sure you guys know who Gary Vaynerchuk is, but I shared you into his texting community today, and I shared you on my Discord, guys. I will put you on the Twitter, Facebook, Insta, all that. Big shout out, man. For real, I mess with y'all, man.
Hey, man.
Good looking, man.
Yeah. Hey, look. Anybody who make money off of this show or anywhere, you're going to be happy. You know what I'm saying? I think Silk said earlier, if you make some money off of that BTZI, you probably going to cash up Spirit Bear. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, thanks for the information. You made me $100,000. You know what I'm saying? You never know what opportunity you're going to run into this show or anywhere you go. Like I told you guys, I always preach on this show, get free information. You don't need to pay anybody to tell you anything. You got YouTube. You got your phone in your hands. and you got information at your fingertips. Use it. Anyway, let's get some more messages. Still,
Kathy Woods, shout out to the All-Star Hedge Fund Manager of the Year, man. Put a lot of money in all her ARK hedge funds. I've had wonderful returns this year since about this time last year when I first got into them. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I love her talks on YouTube, her innovation talks. Wonderful hedge fund manager. Love all.
Hey, one thing I say about Kathy Woods, she gonna make you some money, but they also don't be surprised how they be deducting some money on your account too as well. So before everybody jump off and get into these ARK investment, every year they ask for a return as well. So
hey,
so
shoot,
yeah, they
and
make you
rightfully
money.
so. I mean, what you mean? They making
Yeah,
you a lot of money.
right.
I would ask for
Yeah,
a
but
return too.
you know
Like,
how
hey,
people will be surprised. They look at their portfolio, be like, "Hey, where my money go? Like, where did I lose this money at? Like, hey, ARK Investment coming to collect annually."
listen, man. I told you guys earlier when she said Tesla gonna hit 3,000. Listen to this woman. She is telling y'all right now what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? I bought more Tesla off of her words. Like they was like, if she's right, she been right the last 4 or 5 years. Everybody was laughing at her when she said Tesla was gonna be this and that. Tesla then went crazy, split the stock price and everything. And now she's an all-star because people didn't have that information before. So she constantly dropping gems on the internet. You guys go in there and look up Kathy Woods. Kathy Woods. She's the home run hitter. You guys need to pay attention to what she's talking about.
Yeah, Javo, about the letting me into the NBA Top Shot. You asked where I'm at. I'm over in Chicago.
Yeah, we over here in Michigan near Detroit, man, and we couldn't get in. Silk just got in. I'm gonna go check. I'm probably in
Yeah, all you
now.
got to do is log in, but you can't buy any cards, man. It's all these cards are sold out currently.
That's crazy. You saying everything is sold out on the site?
Yeah, I couldn't buy no cards. I couldn't buy no trade card. Only thing I can buy is like the bids people got in. They bidding like ridiculous right now.
Yeah, see,
Like,
we was talking about this NBA Top Shop for all the new listeners, where you could sell your NBA cards. We were talking about that, and now look at it. You can't even get or buy a card right now. How hot this thing is. I can't wait till they expand. Once they expand, we are going to be on top. You know what I'm saying? So the minute that I can buy some cards on there or somebody's type of digital art, hey, Spirit Bear, shout out to you. I might be buying your first music, your first little album thing and putting it up, man. Who knows? This stuff is going to be worth money, man. You guys just got to make some digital piece of artwork and find out how to do it. I'm gonna make this my homework project. Next week, in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna find out how that you guys can get digital art and actually make it and put it up. And then I'm gonna talk about it on this show because I don't know how to actually make the digital art. What I did was I put a piece of artwork up on Rarible.com, and it's my brand name. It's Javo TV. I just put a watercolor picture of my brand up, but I wasn't really understanding. I just want to get into the game because I know that this is a game changer. You understand what I'm saying? But I didn't really understand. I just was trying to jump into it. So I'm gonna do my homework for you guys. I'm gonna go try to find out how you can make this digital artwork work for you and put it up and actually sell it. Then I'm gonna talk about it probably next week or maybe even the next show because I'm just as interested in it as anybody else. You know what I'm saying? Anything that's new and on the cutting edge and is gonna make me money, I'm going to be interested in it. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly why I know cryptocurrency is gonna do what it does.
Bro, I'm not even gonna hold you, Silk. I know it sounds good, like I'm about to go buy my first pack, but it's not like that, bro. They drop packs at a certain time. So just this past Friday, or maybe it was Thursday, they dropped 40,420 packs of 7 moments of the 2021 All-Star game. And like I was in line 40 minutes. I was in the waiting room 40 minutes before the pack drops. And still didn't get in, bro. I had like 100 and something thousand people in front of me. But you can go buy individual moments, you know what I'm saying? So that's what's up.
No, I want to get a hold
Oh,
to the.
now we
I
got a
want to
better
get a hold to
understanding.
these packs. I ain't gonna lie. I want to get a hold to these packs because I don't really care about the All-Star game. That's why I kind of like just checked to see. And I knew it was gonna be sold out, but it's crazy how they give you the option. You shouldn't be able to buy no more than one. Okay, you shouldn't be able to buy no more than one though. That way, everybody else can get in line and be
I'm
able
sorry.
to.
Did he say 100,000 people in front of him in line to actually buy this digital artwork? Hey,
Yeah.
Chase, I hope you listening, man. This digital, if Chase, you in here, I hope you listening to this right now. Because, you know, my friend Chase, man, he is an artist since we were kids. And he always was good at drawing and stuff like that. I was like, man, this would be perfect for him. He could actually make some serious money, not off NBA Top Shop, but off of one of these sites like Rarible or OpenSea. That's crazy, man. 100,000 people just to make that money? Wow. I'm definitely getting on there. I'm definitely gonna get on these waiting lists. And I'm gonna try to find out when they drop. If we could find out when they drop and get on these waiting lists, we're gonna be winning, man. Let's get it.
Yo, Javo, man, real talk too. You talking about how by next week or maybe next show, and listen, bro, I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm already like invested. I've been paying off of Twitter digital artists. I've been paying them decent real money to make me real deal shit. I want to talk to you after the show at some point. Yo, Twitter me, man. I'm telling you, man. I shared y'all yesterday, the other day. I'm gonna find the message. Just send me a DM on Twitter, guys.
Hey, I'm gonna save you as a friend, man. I'm gonna save you as a friend, and don't be shocked if I really hit you up. I'm gonna hit you up and talk to you about it because this is something that I know is ahead of its time. It's one of those things like Bitcoin. You know how everybody laughed at Bitcoin when it first came out? Digital money. What the hell is digital money in it? Now look at Bitcoin. NFTs. This is what they're doing NFTs right now. What is NFT?
Bro,
In 10
Luka
years,
Doncic,
you're gonna have $10 million.
This Luka Doncic layup, bro. A moment like Luka Doncic layup is worth 88,000. Like I'm just looking at this stuff like,
Simply him
wow.
doing the layup is worth 88,000. That's great, man. I don't even know, man. That makes me so excited, man. Y'all have got to see this, man. It is crazy. Let's check in. I see Chase then tuned in. What's up, Chase?
Oh yeah, I'm listening, bro. Definitely gonna make sure I capitalize on that.
Yeah, Chase. Hey, make sure you capitalize, man. You an artist. And shoot, I'm gonna get with you so we can look. I'm gonna need you to make some art. I'm gonna get with you, man, because you know me. And you're gonna make some art, and I'm gonna try to get it digitized. And then we're gonna split it 80-20 or 60-40, whatever it is. I'm gonna get a piece of the pie, but you're gonna get most of that money. That's what I'm saying. You collaborate with people and you get somebody who has a strength that you don't. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to create unique art. That wasn't my gift in life. My gift in life was knowledge and being able to get on these cryptos and its stock. That's my gift. Because once I'm into something, I'm into it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't born with the artist gift. I wasn't into that. So what you do is you get somebody who has something you don't have, and you collaborate. Just like our financial community we got people tuning in every Monday and Wednesday just to hear what we got to say, because it's a financial community. And I love that we give these stock ticker symbols and this cryptocurrency. We all collaborate here. That's what we're trying to do. So you guys take note of that. Let's get some more messages, Silk.
Just a heads up. Only way you can purchase the cards is when they do a drop. So it works like this. You'll get an alert when they're doing a drop, and pretty much you're placed into a pool of all the other users, and it's literally about 300, 400,000 users in there. They're going to drop about 25,000 packs, and they're going to give you a countdown timer, and pretty much it's a lotto selection on who can purchase the cards out of that 400,000. So it's not like, okay, I got in, now I'm about to purchase a card. No, it don't work like that. It's like a lotto. So you can't just go in there and just buy packs just randomly. You have to be selected by the lotto. Then once you're selected, you have 20 minutes to purchase it. That's how it works. Kind of crazy.
Wow.
Hey,
That's
Anybody in the
crazy.
room right now, if y'all really hearing this information, drop some fire, man. These guys is giving you guys gems right now. You know what I'm saying? They actually explain it to you how this works. I'm finding out right now how it works. I'm thinking that you could just go on the site, buy some cards, and resell them. It's not that simple. I appreciate you guys tuning in to let us know about that, because I definitely would have got on there, buy cards, and try to buy and sell them right away. You know what I'm saying? We both thought the same thing, so.
Yeah.
But yo, listen, guys, to get into a pack drop, you have to buy 3 moments. You have to have 3 moments in your possession, like in your locker or whatever, before the pack drop starts and until it ends. Also, you can only buy 1 moment, normally every 5 minutes. Sometimes around a pack drop time, they go every 10 minutes. Today at 3 p.m. Eastern time or noon Pacific time, they have a pack drop today, guys. So get your 3 pieces, get in there, see what it's about, get the hype, feel the adrenaline, you know what I'm saying? Let's do this, guys.
Hey, man, hey. So what you gonna do, man? You on the waiting list now?
No, I'm into the site. I'm actually into the site right now. But, you know, I'm just kind of pissed off. I gotta hold on to BNGO for a while. So it took a negative dive right now. So but it's showing that I'm up for the day, placing those OTCs on in trades on the marketplace. So I'm right now I'm up 5,000, but you know what's taking the dive is my BNGL. So I might have to hold on to that till Wednesday.
Oh, another thing though, what I found out about me, man, is I'll be watching my stocks like go up and down, and it can make you really sad at the price. Anybody who got a lot of money in the stock market, only sell it when you're making a profit. You know what I'm saying? It's too many of my family members and too many people that I know personally. Oh, I lost $50. Oh, I'm down 600. Oh my God, I should have never got. If you into stocks, man, you can't be emotional about it. You know what I'm saying? You were just
Right.
we was talking about that before. Don't be emotional with these stocks. If you want to be a real stock trader, you got to be stone cold. You understand what I'm saying? Don't like you got to believe in something when everybody is talking the other way. When something is, you know what I'm saying, if they talking like, hey, this company ain't gonna, if you believe in that company, stay in it. Stay in it for the win, because you're gonna win. They were talking about AMD. AMD is a processor company like Intel. Intel that make your, you know, the what is that? The computer chips in the computers. They didn't think AMD was gonna do something. AMD is at like what? Almost $100 a share, $80 a share. That thing was at $2 and something not too long ago. I think a couple years ago, and people was talking about that. So if you believe in something, man, don't watch these prices. Like Silk, you just got in, you said it went down. Guess what? You ain't gonna sell it till it go back up, right? Exactly.
Right.
So you in a winning situation. Let's get some more messages.
Oh, Silk. No. So none of them are cards, first of all. They're moments. The moments are not sold out. You got to go up to the top, go to Marketplace, go to Moments or Explore, and not go to packs. Don't go to packs. I told you there's a pack drop at 3, guys.
Hey, you got that, Silk?
Yeah, I'm about to check into it now. You said
Okay.
go to Moments.
Hey, yo, man, let me say about what B-Time just said about those packs and all that. So, yes and no. He's correct in the fact that that's how a drop works. Drops are once in a while, guys. They schedule drops, they plan them, and they drop them, right? That's for multiple moments in each pack. But you can go in individually, like where you just saw that Luka Doncic. You can go in, click where you want the serial number. You can buy the serial number. Each serial number shows you what is like. You can filter between highest to lowest serial number or vice versa. Highest to lowest asking price or vice versa, right? Also by the date of the game that it was played. So, and you can buy each one of them individually right now. just because you're on there, Silk, man. You ain't got to wait for no pack, bro. Just go to that, whatever one you want to buy, and go buy it right now.
Oh, wow. I know you looking that up right now, man. I know you looking that up right now. Hey, this one of the shows where I'm gonna have to go back and listen to a lot because my man been giving us knowledge the whole show. I hope you guys been paying attention. Y'all jump on that NBA Top Shop. I know we talking about it a lot, but we talk about money on this show. We talk about getting you guys money. So anything that's interesting of the day that's going to make you money, we are going to harp on it. You understand what I'm saying? And that's food for thought for you guys. So let's get some more messages. So.
No, man, the way you just said that about that, my man, you sounded like super like reluctant. I don't know, but like I'm trying to tell you, man, that's the move right now. I'm trying to tell you, NBA Top Shot, yes, but also like yes and no. But OMI, 100% yes, man. That's certified, bro. That's Star Wars, NFL certified, Batman, bro. Brands.
Yeah, I think as a whole, the whole NFT thing, that's just something that people need to put their money into. You know what I'm saying? It is a whole. We've been talking about NBA Top Shop for a minute. They need to put their money into NFTs as a whole. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go to Rarible.com and see if I actually got some bids on my artwork up there. But anyway, let's get back to talking about the stock market. How is the stock market doing right now? Silk, your money going back up or is going down?
I'm not in it right now. I'm checking out these moments. So right now, last time I checked, it was red, but the market has just opened up. So the volume is there, but the market just opened up. So I'm looking at a couple of these Ja Morants, and I'll keep you posted. But I'm looking at purchasing a moment real quick so I can get into the
Oh, snaps. Hey, I've been telling you guys about the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell lately. He just mentioned today, over about 30 minutes ago, he mentioned something about digital currency. And he's saying they would pursue it only with congressional support. You know how, look, even the higher ups are acknowledging cryptocurrency now. Jerome Powell is the guy that made the market go down off of what he had to say, because when U.S. Treasury bond yields go up or down, the market goes with it. And this guy has all the power. You know what I'm saying? His name is Jerome Powell. He just said something about digital currencies. This is awareness that I'm trying to get people on this show and let you know that this is something that's here to stay. You know what I'm saying? If you got guys as powerful as Jerome Powell talking about digital currency, and you got guys as powerful as like the JP Morgan CEO, I forgot his name, he's talking about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have become more than 1% of the richest portfolios, man. You know what I'm saying? So you guys gotta understand and stay on top of that, man. Let's get some more.
Yo, Javo, I agree. Definitely NFTs as a whole. But if you are on the Rarible, I want you to go check out one thing for me, please. Check out the Gucci Space Ghost, Gucci Ghost. Just check them out.
Gucci Ghost. Like I said, man, I'm new into the NFT, so I'm going to go check that out right now.
And it's not a card. Essentially, it's like a cube, which goes along with like the blockchain. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. 3D cubes, pretty much.
I'm looking that up now, Silk.
Yeah, it's a lot of cubes on here, but right now I'm targeting Zion Williams and I'm targeting Ja Morant.
How much is that? How much are the cards on NBA Top Shop? I didn't even look at the prices. We talk about thousands.
If you want to just get like a quick, you can find some cheap ones. The lowest I've seen is $16. But they got Steph Curry 3-pointer on here for $312. So if you're just trying to get
off
into
that site and go back to the stocks. I'm looking like Silk. You the stock guy. You got to go back to stocks, man. NFTs, that's my field. But I guess anything that make us money, that's the field we in.
Bridges.
That's what I was telling you the other day, bro. Luca is like 27, 88, over 100K. Like, this shit is crazy, bro.
Hey, let's talk about that Cardano. Remember you were talking about Cardano Silk? So why did I jump into it? And the price went down, so I'm waiting for it to go back up. I think you guys, if anybody holding Cardano, go ahead and tune in. But I bought Cardano the other day when we were talking about it. I bought it at about 140. I think it's at 117 right now. That Cardano is called ADA. It's on Coinbase Pro. It's not Coinbase. Everybody look at Coinbase like the same thing. Coinbase Pro and Coinbase are two different things. You can only buy Cardano on Coinbase Pro. Now it's free and it's really easy for you to link your money and change it over to it. So if you go on Coinbase Pro, look up that cryptocurrency that they just made available to the public. It's called Cardano. Now this cryptocurrency is going to take off. It deals with smart contracts on cryptocurrency, and the transactions per second is just as good as you using a credit card. You know what I'm saying? I think Cardano is up over 300 to 400% in the last couple of months. And that's the new crypto of the day. So that's another money getting opportunity for you guys. If you're paying attention, it's ADA on Coinbase Pro. I mean, I put about $500-600 in. I'm down right now, but it seems like it's a perfect time to buy in at $1.17. Because what they trying to do is they trying to make this more mainstream for people so you can get a hold to it. You know what I'm saying? It's the reason why Elon Musk wants Dogecoin to be available on Coinbase. Because a lot of people want to buy Dogecoin, but they don't have access to it. I think you can buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. I don't think you can buy it on Webull. But once you get access to these cryptos and it becomes more mainstream, you are going to make a lot of money off of these cryptos. That AD Cardano is something that's going to be high up. So make sure you guys look into that.
Bro, Chase, man, can you do it digitally, bro?
Oh, he's talking to Chase. I don't know if you can make the. I don't know how to make the art where you draw it and then you just put it up as a digital piece of work. That's what we trying to figure out. And once we do that, I think it's really gonna take off even more. Shoot, somebody gonna come out with a site just like NBA Top Shot. You got any new stocks for us today, Silk? Any new stock ticker symbols?
No, just basically only 3 things I purchased, and right now my OTC stocks are doing well. BTZI and HelloPal, HLLPF, that's doing well. BNGO is going backwards, but we'll see where it ends up at 11:30.
Hey, that HelloPal, remind me of what that is again, man. You keep talking about that. You were telling us about HPPFL or something before. That's the HelloPal?
Yeah, HLLPF.
HLL.
HLLPF is HelloPal. It's a new social media platform which combines Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. It's like the new social media platform wave that's coming out. That's why I loaded up on that one as well. I got like 10,000 shares of that. So that's something you definitely want to get into. Definitely want to get into.
Man, I really need to get me a profile, man, to buy these over the counters, man. I still haven't got one of those stock exchanges where I can do that manually. So I would have to call in if I really wanted to get that stock. That stock is at $1.
You just have to call Merrill Lynch because you're currently at Merrill Lynch right now. So you just have to call in, and then they will purchase it for you, and they can purchase the BTZI.
BTZI.
Yeah. So right now, HelloPal is up 2% on the day. and then let me check the BTZI.
Oh yeah,
BTZI stock is up 3% on the day.
Yeah, I take back what I said the other show, man. I had to really look at it after Cass came out with that information about Tesla, man. Remember, I was talking to everybody on the show about Volkswagen versus Tesla. Now we both know that Tesla is the money now play, but I'm definitely on the Tesla side now. I was on the Volkswagen thing when they was talking about
what's so
EVs,
funny?
and the CEO came out talking about how they're gonna beat Tesla in 2 years. I was being very hopeful, but once Kathy Woods, the home run hitter, came out that Tesla is gonna be to $3,000, I don't think Volkswagen got a
What's so
chance, man.
funny? You know what's so funny?
Can't nobody mess with Tesla right now.
Hey,
Tesla is the king.
Hey, I just did some research yesterday. I'm on the Volkswagen side right now.
So how you gonna flip flop, man? Now you won't.
listen. Volkswagen did something I ain't never seen before. Volkswagen have a subscription to their vehicles. That's what they're doing. They have a subscription to their vehicles where your car note is actually included in the insurance. So you ain't got to pay for insurance. You just paying a car note. They having a subscription now. So
man, that's terrible. What you mean? I don't want my car insurance in my car note. I mean, I know the car. I don't want my car note. I don't want my insurance tied in with the car price. I hope they don't do that.
That actually is good, bro. And it's a subscription. So basically, how you paying Netflix and stuff like that, you can hop out of that car once your lease is up and just hop right into a new one.
Wow.
Yeah, like if you think about it, it's a lot of people be like, "Oh, I got to do this." Getting your your car note and your insurance in the same area, and then they offering cheap, like it's cheap insurance. Like I was just looking at some prices today. Like the SUV was like $650. $650 in Michigan, that's not bad. So
yeah, you know, Michigan got the worst. Let me tell y'all, Michigan got the worst car insurance, I think, in the nation, just about, man. I think ours is, if you go down south, the car insurance is much less. I think I got a cousin down there, he got 3 cars. He's paying $250. If you got 1 car in Michigan, I think we like 189% above the national average. So car insurance in Michigan is terrible, super terrible. Let's get this next message. So
yeah, man, drawing digitally not a problem. I got a app that I use on my tablet. So yeah, man, if you got like ideas or something that you want created, I can work on that.
Y'all look at See No Evil, man. He in the room. That's Chase. I told you guys he got skills, man. I'm gonna link up with Chase because he's an artist and he can actually draw. Now I might give him a visual of what I want drawn, and then we're gonna work together and collaborate and put an NFT up and see how that does. Because once you get into this, I don't know. I think we into something we don't understand, but that's a good thing until you do understand. You know what I'm saying? Once we put it up, we're gonna make some serious money, Chase. We're gonna make some serious money on
it. Hey, I'm in the. I got to talk to Chase too because my brother he's in the he got a clothing line called My Detroit Roots. So I has been talking to him to try to do like different designs. So I'm gonna definitely talk to Chase. I'm looking for some drawer or some artists right now.
So you got to get with him, man. Chase can draw, man. That's what he used to do when we was kids. I ain't never had that ability, but you know what? My ability is something else. Let's keep going with the messages.
Hey, JVO TV, if you need me to make some NFTs or some art for some NFTs for you, let me know. I use Photoshop and After Effects, all that good stuff, so I can make some pretty cool looking stuff for you. I could try and make some animations too. I haven't really messed around with the software that much, but I could try if you want. But I'm really good with basic images and not basic images, but like not the animated ones. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you need any of that, just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. You already got it.
Hey, all day, Spirit Bearer, man. I appreciate that, man. All I want to do I want to make money. You know what I'm saying? Not because I'm being greedy. It's because I want to get ahead. And that's why I like collaborating with you guys. So I'm definitely going to hit you up on Instagram to see the opportunities that we can make. Who knows? One day, this financial community might even have conventions. We might even have where we meet up at conventions and we talk about our different ideas and we get together and we actually make money all together. Because let me talk about this community. You can't make money by yourself without other people's knowledge because it's much better. Like it's like the saying goes, 5 heads are better than one. You get what I'm saying? It's a lot of people out here just trying to do it themselves. And it's like, why? Why when you can reach out, just like Spirit Bear just tuned in and was like, hey, man, I can help you with that. Chase just tuned in. Hey, man, I can help you with that. And it's like, man, look at that. That's love and support. You get what I'm saying? So we all join up. We won't have to worry about our house mortgages and our kids not going to the best schools. And look, money ain't gonna make you happy. Let me just make that clear for anybody listening right now. Money is not going to make you happy, but it's damn sure gonna make your life better. Just put it like that. If you use it the right way, don't use it for greed reasons. Use it, you know, say for what you need it for. I want my mortgage gone. I don't want to pay a mortgage anymore. I don't want to go to work anymore. As soon as I get off of here, I wanted to quit my job. Let me make a confession right now. I wanted to quit my job. I was on that way all the time. I still don't know. When I go today, we're going to find out what happens. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not worried about it at all because I'm deep off into something else now. I'm deep off into knowledge. I'm into the NFTs, and other people can't see it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be real on this show. I told my father about it. I told my people about it. And the first thing that come out their mouths is, are you sure you know what you're doing? You shouldn't do that. I don't know if you, people always doubt when they don't. You get what I'm saying? They're going to doubt you when you make these moves. They don't doubt you because they don't love you. They doubt you because they're projecting their fears onto you. They don't know that this is possible. They don't know that you got that in you. They're like, hey, man, I'm trying to tell them they're a part of a system. Working a job is a part of a system. And when you explain it to other people, they think you're crazy. And I mean, rich people been doing it ever. These people, while I'm at work, they sitting on the beach somewhere in Jamaica. Are they choosing what island they want to go to while I'm at the factory plant making products? That's what you know what I'm saying? So when you try something new, don't worry about people doubting. You know, so even the ones that love you, they're only going to doubt because they don't know. That's why you got to show them. So that's my personal situation right now. I don't know anybody else's personal situation, but never worry about people doubting you. Just believe in yourself and go ahead and get this money. Spirit Bear, shout out to you, man, for trying to help me. Chase, we're going to get this digital art together, and we on the cutting edge of something. That's how much I believe in this stuff, and I come on this show. You know what I mean? So, anyway, let's get back to talk about money.
Yeah, I got some of that Volkswagen when it was down a bit, and if it goes down a little bit more again, because it's up right now a bit, but if it goes down more, I'm going to go buy more because I know it's going up. Y'all were making fun of me about that, but it's okay. It's all right.
Hey.
Well, with the Volkswagen thing, you got to, like you said, like, just got to make sense of it all. Like I said, even on the last show, like, whatever makes sense. Like, I'm not like getting a profit sharing from Tesla or Volkswagen, but it's whatever makes sense. Right now, Tesla's at $600 and some odd dollars, and Volkswagen is sitting at a lonely $34. But I was
Where's
just
Tesla
comparing
right now? The price for Tesla.
Hold on one second. Tesla is at $680 right now.
Oh my goodness, bro! Hey,
Tesla,
I can't wait. It's gonna take off.
Well, I knew Tesla was gonna take off because of Cathie Woods, but I was curious how far it was gonna take off.
Yeah, but look at it. If you go by Cathie Woods' projections, Tesla will have to jump % every year to hit that price target by 2025. So every year Tesla has to jump up half its share in price. You know what I'm saying? So to her analysis, you could probably quadruple your money if you bought in a Tesla. So everybody pay attention to that. That's Cathie Woods giving y'all dropping some gems. Every year is supposed to go up 50%. So make sure you get your money in there early. I don't think that price is going to stay like that forever. You know what I'm saying? And Elon Musk is probably going to end up being the first trillionaire in the world, man. I think he's going to beat out Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is greedy. He just straight up greedy, man. He don't want Amazon to unionize. I just don't like him, man. You know what I'm saying? All the information. Okay. All the information he's been given is terrible. They can't even get Jeff Bezos to come out. I think Bernie Sanders, if anybody know who Bernie Sanders is, he was going to run for president. He offered both of them to come out and have a talk about money and about why he doesn't want to unionize. Jeff Bezos don't want to do none of that. You know what I'm saying? The guy's the richest man in the world, and he ain't pushing innovation. He talking about space just like Elon Musk, but he's not actively in America like I think we should. I was like, man, you made $71 billion. Jeff Bezos made $71 billion during the pandemic. And they're firing workers. And they not, I know everybody know about Amazon and how the workers is all disgruntled and stuff. I'm like, man, you're the richest man in the world. What more do you want? I just think it's corporate greed, man. Corporate greed. So let's get some more messages, Silk. Let's get it down.
What's going on, guys? I just want to chime in because I've been dabbling into crypto a little bit lately. I'm a beginner with all this stuff, but I've been putting most of my money into Bitcoin. I'm also looking at ETH, XRP, Cardano, some of the coins that have been getting a lot of buzz. But I'm also looking at the smaller coins. Obviously, if you look online, like on the forums, like various things like Dogecoin is getting a lot of love. It's kind of a joke, obviously, but people have been making some money off that. But I'm also looking at Zflortenflaus, which is a newer coin. It's mainly booming in the German markets. Like if you look at a 1 month chart, it's definitely taken off over there, but it hasn't really caught on like in America. I was curious if you heard of Zflortenflaus. If not, definitely Google Zflortenflaus and let me know what you think, because it definitely has some potential, but obviously some risk because it's a newer coin. But, I'm just curious about your thoughts.
Yeah, I'm the crypto guy. I've never heard of that because a lot of these foreign companies, a lot of these foreign countries are doing, like, they jumping into the crypto too. So no, we haven't heard about it. But on this show, we always look into something we don't know. We haven't heard about it. And that's a good thing that you XRP off into crypto, because crypto is where it's at. You know what I'm saying? I always talk about Dogecoin a lot on the show. And as everybody knows, Dogecoin started off as a joke. More of a meme crypto. You know what I'm saying? The guy that made it, he wasn't intended it for it to go nowhere, but he didn't know that he was making something that was going to become huge one day. Putting a dog on the face of your crypto was a genius idea. You get what I'm saying? I feel like Doge is more popular from the dog being on the damn coin than the damn coin actually is. You know what I'm saying? You know that little dog, when you look up Dogecoin, it's a little dog on there. I don't know what that dog is, like a little chihuahua, or a little pit bull or something. But he on front of that Dogecoin, and I feel like that's what made it like hot. Because most people don't understand what crypto is anyway. No matter how much bring crypto in your face, a lot of people don't even know. I've explained it 1,000 times, but you don't have to know. You know what I'm saying? Just listen to experts because they got that information out for you guys. You know what I'm saying? That information is available to you. Let's get some more messages, Sil.
Hey, yo, man, real rap. I'm gonna stop blowing y'all up today, man. I'm here, I'm listening, I'm feeling the vibe. J-Vo, man, you gotta link him up, man. Sit back and shit. So.
Hey, Patrick, man, you my guy, man. Hey, you my guy. I just love doing this. That's all.
Guys, I'm listening to your program. It's a good program. I am new to all of this, so I'm just sitting here trying to, understand best. I want to get into crypto and everything else. Where do I start? What's the best app? Also, I'm outside of the US, so there's that.
If you outside of the US, the best app for you probably is going to be the mainstream apps. Like if you wanted to get into the main cryptos, I don't think that Robinhood does all the other altcoins that we talk about. If you want to jump into crypto, I would say, a lot of people tell you Bitcoin, but I would say get into Ethereum. Ethereum, like I was saying earlier, there's some news I gave on everybody earlier. Ethereum is in the process of changing to Ethereum 2.0, which means that they're updating the transaction time. They're updating this coin. So the price for Ethereum is probably going to shoot up astronomically. You know what I'm saying? So anybody looking at Bitcoin or crypto or looking to get in, jump into the second most popular cryptocurrency, which is Ethereum. That's the real name for it, Ethereum. I just say Ethereum because it's quicker for me. You know what I'm saying? That is going to be a real hot come May, June. Watch that price. I think to get one Ethereum right now is like $1,800 something. I have a couple of them. So that's something to look out for. When they upgrade that, it's going to be way faster than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is only at the top because that's what people know. It's like a brand name. You get what I'm saying? So when people come in here, all they know is Bitcoin. That's what they want to buy. And they be like, hey, I don't know what crypto is, but they know what Bitcoin is. Take some time to get some knowledge about the other cryptos as well, because those are the ones that's going to explode. Bitcoin.
I recommend any of the new users that's in here getting over flooded with ETFs and get into this and get into that. Just your basic thing is just to do some research. Like a lot of people been saying, download it's an application called Udemy, Udemy, and then start learning. So just get with the basic learning how to trade stocks and cryptocurrency, and then while y'all listen to the show, and then jump in, because right now we're getting ahead, and in all these ETFs and over-the-counter stocks and this, that, and other. So definitely want to just do some homework. And welcome to the show. We come on every Monday and every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's a half an hour before the stock market open up.
Yeah. Hey, sometimes we get carried away. You're right, Silk. I appreciate you. Sometimes we get carried away and we forget that it's a lot of beginners in here that don't understand. You know what I mean? So every show we take a second so you guys can understand, because I knew what it was like when I first got in, man. I didn't understand nothing. I told you guys the stock market to me was about my dad up a newspaper and then all these stock ticker symbols on it. I didn't know what that crap was, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm basically new in it. For the last 2 years, I really just got dabbled in it. So, I can understand how somebody coming in like, OTC, what the hell is that? BTZI, what? I don't know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to make my money invested and I make money off of it. Because I'm pretty sure everybody tuning in, you seeing other people make money. And you're like, how can I profit too? I don't understand it, but I want
that new user. What was you saying about? Tell them about Stash, Javo, for the new user. You recommend Stash?
Okay. Yeah. Stash is like, okay, you got Robinhood, you got Webull, you got the major apps. Now they have apps that hold your hand through the whole investing process, like Stash. I signed up for Stash just to see what it was about. They hold your hand. They have a retirement account, and then they have an account where you trade and you put your money in both of them. It will teach you and it will show you every step of the way how to invest in the stock market. So essentially, once you learn that, you're going to understand cryptocurrency. So like, listen, I suggest anybody listening to find out about stocks first. Find out how stocks work. It's kind of how cryptos work. You know what I'm saying? But it's a little different. But I will try to find out how stocks work. So Stash is an excellent app for you to sign up with. You know what I'm saying? Just beginning out to start off with. It really helped. And it breaks down the stocks in different sectors. Like if you want to buy, let's say Apple or something like that, you want to go into tech, or you want to go into the biopharmaceutical sector or something like that, it breaks them down in different categories so you guys can understand what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Start off with, if you don't know what we're talking about with these little companies, start off with the big companies you know. Start off with the safe investments like Apple. And Apple's not going to fall anytime soon, like Apple and what's the other big companies out there? You got Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson's got their hands in everything. You know what I'm saying? That company ain't going nowhere. Start off with Moderna that just did the vaccine. You know what I'm saying? The vaccine shots they want you guys to take. Start off with big companies that you know in the beginning so you can get a better understanding of what you're doing. And don't put a lot of money in if you don't know what you're doing. put some money in to play with that you can lose, so you start understanding the stock market more. You're going to understand what bullish and bearish mean. Bullish means that the stock market is going up. Bearish means that the stock market is going down. All these different terms is going to help you. You know what I'm saying? So start off with little money and start off with apps like Stash. You also got apps like Acorn too. Like Acorn, if you spend $1, say something was $1.56, it will take everything from that dollar. It will take 56 cents out of it. You know what I'm saying? Acorn is another excellent app, but I would say Stash. That's something I started off with. So that's for all the new beginners in there. If you just getting your foot in the door, you don't know what's going on, you're like, I don't know. Take that little bit of money, get on that startup app, and start learning right now. Let's get some more messages. So
it's funny how you say that, because there's this guy, he does Forex, he goes by Millionaire Mike, and he just posted, I want to say it was yesterday or the day before, that his company just bought their first car. But like a week prior, he was looking at Land Rover, Range Rovers, and he ended up in the picture, it showed that his company car was a Volkswagen. Wait, was it Volkswagen or Volvo? I want to say it was Volkswagen. Now that I'm thinking about it, I might be wrong. So disregard this message.
I'm pretty sure it's Volkswagen, because that's newsworthy right there. Let's get another message.
Hello. Yeah. What is the point of Bitcoin?
We're gonna answer that question too. The point of Bitcoin is for you to continue to get money. Right now, Bitcoin is the future. That's pretty much all you need to know. You know what I'm saying? If you want to know essentially what it is, it's a cryptocurrency, and it's top in the world right now. I'm gonna get off into that a whole nother time. But if you guys, like, we drop gems all the time. If you guys want to understand what the stock market is, what crypto is, what Pacific cryptos are, listen to some of our older shows. Each show we explain and we broke down what each crypto is, what it does, why you should be putting your money in it, and why it's something. So guys, make sure that you always go back and check out our older shows. You know, we always give gems. I think it was a couple of shows ago, Silk had said something and that stock went crazy. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all listen to them older shows so you can get some of that knowledge from it.
Yo, JVO TV, yo, Silk Hollow. I'm just having a listen to you. I know very little about cryptocurrency, but I would love to invest. So I've been doing a little tiny bit of research, but it makes my head dizzy, bro. So you just mentioned this Ethereum. I've never heard of it before, so I just had a quick look on Google. Listen, man, for someone like me, a novice, how would we safely invest our money into these things? Like, can you suggest like an app or like a company or something where it's totally safe? I'm actually buying into the cryptocurrency rather than like, I'm just really like cautious about things like this. So any advice like that would be, I would love to invest some money into cryptocurrency, but I don't know where to start, what apps to use and what cryptocurrency to buy. But this Ethereum sounds interesting. It sounds like it's a good one to invest in, man. Sorry, man, I'm babbling, but really interesting chat, guys. I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Hey, being the rules, man.
Hey, welcome to the show, man.
Hey, welcome to the show, man. There's no dumb questions in here, man. One thing I will always say is no dumb questions, and I'm glad that you're looking into cryptocurrency right now. Let me tell you, I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't, but I can tell you what I do and what I do to keep my money safe. Now, you said I was talking about Ethereum before. That's probably an excellent one to get in. The app I use is Coinbase Pro. Now, that's one of the most popular apps, but if you use it to trade your crypto. But we was talking about something before on the show to keep your money safe. You know what I'm saying? Because Coinbase ain't about to get hacked no time soon. You know what I'm saying? That's one of the big ones. To keep your money safe, if you really, really want your money being safe, buy your crypto, and then you pull it off into a wallet. Now, we talked about a wallet before. It's essentially
hardware wallet.
Yeah. It's essentially hardware that you use to take your cryptocurrency offline. You know how you got your wallet in your pocket and you put your money in your wallet and your credit card and all that? This essentially is a digital wallet. So you take a USB or you have digital wallets, which takes your money offline. So once you say this, let me put it for example. I buy 3 or 4 Bitcoin, right? I'm saying those 3 or 4 Bitcoin cost me a lot of money. What I'm going to do is I was like, hey, I don't want to trade Bitcoin right now. I don't want to do any type of day trading. I want to take it offline. So what I do is essentially I get me a physical USB and I put my Bitcoin onto that USB. Now these USBs are called wallets. These wallets can hold your crypto. So if say Bitcoin go from 50,000 to 100,000, don't matter if your crypto is offline on that USB. Whenever you hook it back up, your Bitcoin is going to be worth 100,000. It's going to be whatever. It's going to be worth whatever Bitcoin is worth at that time. It's no matter that it's offline. So to keep your money as safe as possible, the safest possible way that you can keep your money for cryptocurrency is putting it on the wallet. Now, when you get these wallets, you have a 17.
User friendly though.
You say what?
Or if he's user friendly, just download the Robinhood app. And if you're looking to get into Ethereum, then just you can purchase fractions on Robinhood app. Robinhood is pretty safe when it comes to that. Plus they have some type of insurance leading up to like I think $250,000. So I'm pretty sure by you being new, you ain't looking to spend that money. But like you can buy fractions of Ethereum. So as that price go up, your money that you put in goes up. You can put in $60, $20, you know. So big what is that? I can't even think of it. Yeah, go ahead. My brain just kind of
I know it happens sometimes, but but look, when you're using that wallet, man, they give you like 17 to 18 different passwords on it. That's the most securest thing I ever. So don't worry about your money getting stolen in crypto, man. Don't worry about that. The hacking days are mostly behind us. You know, the big marketplaces. I would stick with the big market for now, like Coinbase. They got something called Voyager too, but just stick to the main stuff, like Silk was saying too. Stick to those main exchanges.
Yo, it's me, Nate. Silk. Let everybody know about the Stellar Lumens. That's pumping on crypto in the crypto world.
Yeah. What up, Nasty Nate? I was just talking about that on 2 shows ago. The Stellar Lumens. I was telling everybody what I'm doing. I'm reading the patterns of Stellar Lumens. You can actually, if you have a considerable amount of money, you can actually get in Stellar Lumens at a certain price and then get out like 2 cents later and make a ton of money. I've been doing that for the past. I'm looking at the week. You can do that like 4 times a week and generate like a 40-hour, somebody's 40-hour check. It all depends of how much money that you're actually putting in. So shout out to Nate. We were just discussing. He just sent me a share on the Pi Network. So a lot of people, if y'all don't know about the Pi Network, Javo explained to him about the Pi Network. I got the link in my bio. So that's something definitely like for the newcomers that's getting into the crypto market space. You should explore this Pi Network. It's in beta status right now. So,
hey, I also forgot to tell them when you get on Coinbase, my man that checked in, when you get on there, they actually teach you about certain different cryptocurrencies and tokens, and they actually give you free cryptocurrency that's actually worth money. So if you get on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, I don't know if Coinbase Pro does it, but when you get on there, they give you rewards for just answering a quick question. You can get it wrong as many times as you want, but if you answer one question, some of them high as $3 or $4 for just answering common questions about that cryptocurrency. Like I got over $70 to $100 just from answering stupid survey questions. Like, you know what I'm saying? I went down there and was like, hey, they was like, this is new NU token or FU. It's so many different cryptos now. And they was explaining to me what it does and what it do. And I just was clicking. You know, I was trying to just get that money real quick. So I was just clicking through it. But actually, some of them I was paying attention to what it was. But I know it was free money. So if you get on Coinbase, man, they give you free cryptocurrency for answering questions. So try to get on Coinbase or one of those, man, starting out.
You like jazz?
Jesus. We're getting a crap load of.
Which is a good crypto to put into right now?
Ethereum. Ethereum for me. Because I feel like this is the good time to get into Ethereum. That's mine. I don't know what Silk is in. Silk, Silk got
It all depends. I like those little baby cryptos, man, because the more shares that you buy into it, the more money you're gonna make when it rises. So what's a good crypto? Cryptos that make sense, like he was just talking about Stellar Lumen. Soon as XRP is available, and like I was saying, what's the other one? Cardano. Them are my like small
Cardano,
favorites
ADA.
right now.
Yep,
Yeah.
Cardano is new too, man. That's gonna be a hot one too. Y'all check that one out. Let's
But
get
I
some more.
like the cents, man. I like to get these cents. I like to get these shares with these cents. That way I can buy more shares with my dollar. Cardano is currently over $1 or at $1. But I like to get like Stellar Lumen is hot, man. Like I was telling everybody about XRP and Stellar Lumen. Like that's definitely something that you want to look into so that your $1 you can get like 4 shares per $1. That's where you make your big money at.
Okay. Let's get some more of this, Silk.
Great advice, man. Silk Hollow, I don't think that Robinhood app is available for you for the UK. In the UK, so I can't find it. But the Coinbase one I've downloaded. Also, I don't know if you've heard of this thing called Initiative Q. It's something that an app I downloaded this app, and it's basically a cryptocurrency, but it has no value. But I've like managed to get 5,500 Initiative Qs, and they've got a wallet in that app. And in my wallet, I got 5,500 Initiative Qs. Obviously, they're worthless, but I don't know, man. You never know, innit? It's something to do with PayPal. I don't know if you know anything about that. But yeah, I'm going to have a look at this Coinbase app. I'm going to follow you both, man, because, yeah, man, you guys know what you're talking about still.
Hey, bend the
Hey,
rules.
shout out to all the new users, man. We got they did come on the show. A couple guys come on the show and told us about the Coin Market Cap. So if you go to Coin Market Cap, and you'll see where you can purchase these cryptocurrencies that we call out, and see if you can be able to purchase it in the UK or not. So we do have a lot of listeners in the house coming from Ghana. We have Australia. We have everywhere, man. So go to Coin Market Cap and see where you can if you can purchase these things, and they tell you exactly where to purchase certain coins at. So shout out to the community, man, giving us this information.
Man, we need to make like I was just thinking we need to make like a website or something where we make our predictions. You know what I'm saying? You know how like eToro and all those stuff got copy trader, where you can go on these sites and you could copy what other people doing. We need to make a site like that. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't have to be a financial advisor to do that. We need to make like a site where you do your trades and people could live see your trades. You could do it on YouTube and stuff, but I kind of was thinking about making a site like that. You know me, I'm always thinking ahead and about the future. You know what I'm saying? About my financial freedom. And I feel like this is an opportunity to do that. But I didn't want to do it with stocks though. I was thinking about doing it with cryptocurrency because people don't understand it. And then, actually kind of teaching them while they on the site. You know what I'm saying? That's just an idea of mine. You guys let me know what you think about that one day. Let's get some more messages.
Real quick. Hello Pal is up 4% now. It's at $1.44. Like everybody, I'm telling everybody, this the new social media platform. It's called Hello Pal. Ticker symbol is on the over-the-counter market, OTC. When we say OTC, it's over-the-counter market. Ticker symbol is HLLPF. HLLPF. And then Spirit Bear came on and told us about this one. This is a blockchain dealing with the cannabis. So it's a BTZI, Box Inc. That's the over the counter. That's up 1.7%. So check these out, man. These can make you some good money too. By being 16 cent, and then by the Hello Pal being $1.44, you can make you some good money with just $100. So check those out.
My man, so let's get another one. So
Okay, I'm gonna get it straight. Me and my friend, we talk about the stock market a lot, and he was telling me about shares. Now, in it, okay, say if I invest, right, that's equal one share. Cause when you meant by multiple shares, we mean by that. Please elaborate for me. Thank you so much. Like the podcast.
he talking about buying into the stock. When you buy a stock, man, you can buy one share. Like say if I got Tesla is at $600 something dollars. Everybody thinks that you just have to spend that 600. Now, what I could do is I could take a couple dollars and just put money on Tesla. So if I even had 20 bucks, I would own 0.00% of that share. You don't have to buy a whole share to have a share, man. That's a falsehood that a lot of people that don't know coming in. So you see the price and like, oh my God, Bitcoin's at 60,000. I don't have $60,000, but you got 20 bucks. So 20 bucks on it. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, you could just come in. You don't have to buy one whole share. You know what I'm saying? That's a misconception. You got to do is invest in something you believe in.
As far
You
as
just need
the
to put a little
stock
bit.
market go, the Robinhood app lets you buy fractional shares, so you don't have to actually say if you like the company and you hear us say, "Oh, we're buying this," and you look into it, and then you start purchasing it. You don't have to purchase it at that actual share. Like when you go to the Robinhood app, you click trade, and if you don't have the options, so you'll be like buy, sell. You can change up into the upper right hand corner. You can change from share to dollars. So you put say I suggest people that just starting off, just put $20 in a week, and then when you hear these hot stocks, just when you purchase it by the dollar. You can put any amount in. So say if you got $20 a week and you want to go Tesla, you want to put $5 on Tesla, $5 on Volkswagen, $5 on NIO, and then $5 on CCIV. Get what I'm saying? So that's where your money will go. That's where your $20 will go, and you just keep building up on that.
Yeah, I don't think, one thing is I don't think all the platforms actually let you just in. Robinhood at first, I think you can only buy a share. I don't know if you could just buy into it. I don't know. I think buying fractional shares, not all the platforms do that. Some platforms you actually do have to buy the whole entire stock. So that's why we encourage, me and Silk got this rule. You know what I'm saying? If you just now, you know what I'm saying, you want to stay in the $0 to $10 range. You know what I'm saying? Don't look at all the big stocks that you're like, that's a lot. If you want to make some serious money, just starting out and you're a beginner, I would stay with penny stocks or smaller stocks where you can get more money out of it. You know what I'm saying? You put 20 bucks on 700. When it goes up 100 bucks, you only getting a couple dollars out of that. But if you take that same 20 bucks, you put into a stock that's $2, you're getting more shares and you're putting less capital to make more money with. You understand what I'm saying? So that's our $0 to $10 rule. And that's what
real quick, I'm about to give them an update. Hey, because it's 11 o'clock. Remember, I tell you how people be leaving the marketplace at 11 o'clock. They be leaving early for lunch and never come back. So by being 6 minutes to 11, I'm about to give these updates real quick. These 3 stocks that I was talking about right now, my number one stock was BNGO. BNGO has rebound. It's at $9.19. So yeah. So definitely that was one. And then I had the 2 over the counters, that's BTZ, ZI, and then HLLPF. So all of them are green today. So right now, we're showing green today on our stock predictions for today. So shout out to everybody holding on to that little tight rope. And let's get back into these messages.
All right, let's get another one, man. Let me pull it up. I'm off looking at, hey, look, as you were speaking, I'm off looking into the stocks. Like, yeah, you're right.
Hey, Daddy. Hey.
Hey, you can actually look at the messages where you
Hey, yo, J-Vo, man. I heard that message from Chase. Yo, it's over, bro. It's over, bro. We're about to do this. I'm going to link with you. You holler at your fam, and no joke, man. I got some serious shit going already. I told you, I'm already paying artists right now to do some shit. It's going to be lit.
Man, I'm so, look, that was the older messages. I'm so interested in just making this money, man. Like, the opportunity is here, man. Doing this financial community thing has changed my whole outlook on stocks and crypto. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you open my eyes, and then the people in this room and in this financial community open my eyes even more. The possibilities that we can do is endless. So I started thinking about my job again, like, man, the possibilities on this side is endless, but then the possibilities on my job side is it can end. You know what I'm saying? There's no possibilities there. What, you gonna get a promotion and make $2 more in 4 years? Think about that. Why, when I can go make $2,000 in 2 hours? You get what I'm saying? Like, there's no comparison when you talk about this, what you can do and what you can't do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Let's get back off into these stocks, man. Let me see what's going on in the market. All my stocks are down. I'm still currently in the process of I told you guys before on the show before, I'm still currently in the process of waiting for some of my stocks to go back up. And once they do, I'm going to sell out of them, and I'm going to start doing the process of putting my money into cryptocurrency. I was not lying about that. I'm definitely going to put my money into cryptocurrency. So once it goes back up, I'm probably going to take most of my stock, you know what I'm saying, and put it into Tesla, which is one stock, and then the rest of it is going to go into cryptocurrency, because I feel like Tesla is where it's at right now. All the other stocks, you got to play the day trading game. Well, what news came out, what's going up, what's going down. So once I make that move, I'm gonna be a happy man, man. Tesla is gonna take me to the moon.
Well, just to update on you guys, I'm in the money with BNGO. I bought at $8.90, 1,300 shares. So it's doing pretty well. So the plan is, I guess, to hold until the earning reports come out tomorrow, because they're expected to earn much more than what they made previously.
Yeah, that's my plan, is to hold. Obviously, you know, tomorrow, you already know how the market's going to be tomorrow, definitely. So don't be wary. Soon as they get, I have confidence on them getting good news. Plus, FDA approval is around the corner, so I'll keep people posted on that. But my plan is to definitely hold.
FDA approvals, man. They taking too long to do these FDA approvals on these companies, man. That's
Well,
why I hate
the update on the FDA approval, they got Pfizer, they got a couple Blue. I was gonna recommend that, but that wasn't looking too good on the FDA approval. So we got Blue, BU, BLUE, and then we have another company. But Pfizer, they got them all scheduled. Like, so that's why I'm gonna keep y'all in tune on the FDA calendar. Definitely check that out, the FDA calendar, so y'all can be aware when these FDAs come out. So normally when the FDA approval come out for these stocks, or about to come out, that's when they start moving. A lot of people start making money on that off the catalyst. Catalyst is the news, so check that out. So I appreciate, hey, we about to get this money tomorrow for sure. My out target is like $12.50. $12.50 for me is like a $19,000 reward for me. So I'm looking to make up some money I lost. So that's my out, like $12.50.
Hey, and another thing, don't invest your money. Don't buy no crypto on the Cash App, man. Cash App is just for what it is, to transfer money. I would not put my money into Cash App to buy crypto. I think just 2 days ago they got hacked. So they're completely ghosting people and taking money out of their accounts. I think Cash App got 36 million active users. So I want to tell everybody on the show, don't buy cryptocurrency through the Cash App, please. Go to a reputable source that actually does it, because Cash App was just trying to jump on the bandwagon, you know what I'm saying, and start having you buy crypto. If you smart, don't buy crypto on the Cash App. If you do got cryptocurrency on your Cash App, take it and transfer it over. Get it out of there. You know what I'm saying? I don't trust Cash App. You know what I'm saying? I only had it just to do little small transactions. I actually had a bank account with a small debit card attached to it, but it just got hacked a couple days ago. Stay out of Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Stay out of there.
Don't keep your money in Cash App.
Yeah,
Definitely
a lot of people
don't.
doing that. Yeah, because people not aware of what's going on. I'm like, Cash App is not a safe place to put your money, man.
Yeah.
Somebody just got in there and took this guy's money. This a lady, 24, took all of her money, all $3,000, and it wasn't just her. It was about a couple hundred people. So that's the fear that my man came on earlier was talking about his crypto getting stolen. Just know that your crypto only gets stolen by the exchanges that hold your crypto. The actual crypto doesn't get hacked and doesn't get stolen. So just keep it off Cash App for me. That was just my message to you guys. Oh, man.
Next message.
How do you play this? Did it play?
No, I didn't.
Yo, Silk, how my man J-Vo, man, talk about, matter of fact, I recant that statement. No, I'm just playing J-Vo. It's good to do that, man. For real, though, Tesla's got it, man.
Hey, man, I like it. I like that he loved listening to us, man.
Hey, common sense kick in a day later, you know? Even with me, though, like, I'm into the Volkswagen because that's something that a lot of people not doing. Like Volkswagen, a lot of people didn't. I don't know if they heard, but Volkswagen has this thing now where it's a prescription that you do now. It's not a car payment, so your insurance is included in the car payment. And the prices that I was seeing by being Volkswagen, it was relatively cheap, like $650 for an SUV. Just imagine what they do to these smart cars and these sedans. So that's going to be a game changer, man. So
I'm to look up Volkswagen right now, man. See, as we talking, Volkswagen, the price of Volkswagen in the market is going up right now. It's a neutral pattern detected, but they passed their average volume already. It's not even 12 o'clock. The average volume on Volkswagen stock is 990,000. That's right under a million. Now, if you guys remember, I told you stocks that have a high volume usually have a high volatility. That means that the stock is going to go up high or it's going to drop low, and it's a good chance that it's not going to stay stable, because when the volume of something, that's how many people are trading, is really high, that stock is a volatile stock. And it's not even 12 o'clock. Now, we told you between the stock market opening up at 9 and 12, those are the money hours. So it's irregular for a stock to have a high trading volume unless it's popular or something is going on with it. You know what I'm saying? So Volkswagen is up right now, you guys. So if you was paying attention and you were listening earlier, you bought you some Volkswagen and you got in Volkswagen. So you a happy man. I think it's up 9.55% right now, which is a killer. You know what I'm saying? So y'all keep watching out for that. And I think I might even double down on my investment in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about that, because this stock was a killer when I was talking about it the other day, and everybody was on me. You know, Volkswagen can't match Tesla. Volkswagen is huge. It's a German automaker that's going to go crazy eventually. They had that emissions scandal, I think, a couple years ago, where they tricked the cars. I mean, I think in the United States, we got emissions laws, and they tried to trick the car. They put a device on there that would lie. You know what I'm saying? And I think they had to pay over a couple $1 billion, and some people went to jail over there for that. You know what I'm saying? That's serious when you lie about emissions. But Volkswagen has the ability to put cars out quicker than most manufacturers. That's what they're known for. VW is huge over there. So that's something to look out for.
I think people should still have a look at Tesla. I mean,
You know, the last time I was saying on one of your shows, Devo TV, that after Tesla, Elon Musk made that 1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase, a lot of the shareholders decided to sell out because they didn't believe what he was doing. And for me, I think that was a wrong decision that they made, because he lost 50 billion worth of shares, in the 24-hour period after the purchase of those bitcoins. Now the question comes in. Right now, Tesla is working. Elon is working on SpaceX, and also working on the new models of Teslas that are.
See, Elon Musk, a lot of people don't know about Elon Musk. Everything he know, he's an influencer, right? So everything is calculated. He need the cryptocurrency world to take off. That Bitcoin that he purchased is pennies on the dollar of what he need to get this space thing moving. Elon Musk want to see this stuff moving in his lifetime. So that's why the surge of the cryptocurrency, that he got to push this crypto. He got to push this crypto out there to get to the moon, to get these trips going. He want everybody to get to Mars on his watch in his lifetime. So he has to make this. He has to move. He has to make these moves.
But listen,
so everything is calculated.
Elon Musk, I told you, like I dropped the gem on you guys a previous show and told you what Elon Musk is doing. Because what he wants to do requires a ridiculous amount of money. You get what I'm saying? How do you think he's going to fund that? Cryptocurrency is the fund everything now. We talked about Akon and him building a city over in Africa through cryptocurrency. Elon Musk is doing the same thing because they realize what's going on. You know what I'm saying? He needs that money to make reusable rockets. There's actually a special right now. If anybody got Netflix on here, there's a special on Netflix called Mars, M-A-R-S. I watched both seasons of it. It depicts Elon Musk was part of the making of it. And they say how we're working on going there now and doing these space rockets. And they actually have a little mini series inside of it where they actually went to Mars and they actually acted out what is going to happen and how corporations will get to Mars. Just like Silk said, this is serious. You know what I'm saying? You got the richest guy in the world campaigning for other people to make money because he understands. He knows something we don't. But you know what? On this channel, the people that's listening know, because you guys are woke. You know what I'm saying? You're listening to me and Silk, so you're woke up now. You know what I'm saying? And that's what's going to happen. So this cryptocurrency is going to take off. They needed to take off to fund what's going on. I think Elon Musk got the not only do he got the space program going on, he has something called the Hyperloop going on. I think overseas or in another country, if anybody want to chime in and talk about it, if you do know about it, it's called the Hyperloop. It's going to be everywhere you can get from, say, Michigan to Florida within 30 minutes to an hour. It's where you put something on a magnetic track and it pushes it through so fast. They working on that technology right now. It's called Virgin Loop or Hyperloop. You know what I'm saying? And when that technology comes up, how do you think he's going to fund that? Cryptocurrency. He the only CEO, rich CEO I've seen who had the balls to put money into something that people didn't, they was all weary about. Elon Musk put $1.5 billion into Bitcoin and made more money than anybody's ever seen. You know what I'm saying? Especially selling cars. He made more than he did from selling cars. So y'all just watch out. That's what's going to happen in the future.
Hey, giving the update real quick on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, the pattern, I was reading the pattern, looks like the new floor is 5 cents and 5/10. So that's going to be my target to get back into Dogecoin. Remember, I was telling everybody Dogecoin normally have a big announcement once a month, and it happens around like the 8th or the 9th. So my entry into Dogecoin is going to be 55. Well, 5 cents and 5 tenths. So that's going to be my entry point on Dogecoin.
Okay. You said, hey, where's Dogecoin right now? You said
5 cents and 7 tenths. So
okay. Yeah, I
57.
need it. I like to buy in. I wanted Dogecoin to take a dive, like so I can get back in. I sold out when it hit 0.60. You know, so I had pumped and dumped early. I wanted to drop some more so I can get back in. Let's get some
Yeah, it
messages.
looks like the new ceiling is the new floor is 5.5. So that's my target right now because
Low
it's
key,
really
I think you're right.
stable, bro.
It's stabling out.
Yeah.
I mean, Elon is working on new models of the Tesla that is due to come out. So definitely, I think that people should still stick around. You know, if not that you want like you want to buy and sell on most of the shares in Tesla, I think people should hold out and even wait once it goes down, buy more. You know, because I believe that pretty soon, you know, once SpaceX goes IPO and their shares goes out and you know you can now buy, I think people can make a lot of money through that. Than to jump on one trend of Volkswagen trying to imitate the Tesla and all of a sudden the stocks going out and people just trying to catch up and say, oh, there's gonna go. I don't believe in that one. There is potential, but I think it's a quite more riskier move.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
This is the thought process that I come up with when I say I will purchase Volkswagen, and then I have Tesla. I own Tesla, but at the same time, one Tesla is equal to 18 shares of Volkswagen. So if you got to look at, if you're trying to make some quick money like I'm trying to make, it makes sense to get Volkswagen right now over Tesla. Now, my long-term money, I won't sell Tesla at all. But short term, I'm looking to make some money off Volkswagen. That's why I'm into Volkswagen over Tesla at this moment. Because one share of Tesla is, say a Tesla go up $30, right?
Yeah.
And say if Volkswagen go up $30, that's my 18 shares is equal to $551 of Volkswagen. So I made $551 of 18 shares of Volkswagen to compare to one $30 share of Tesla. So that's how I'm thinking. That's how my analogy thinking through everything I do. Stock market, Bitcoin, everything. Yeah, I got Bitcoin, but I plan on purchasing a shit ton of more of the altcoins that's gonna go up with Bitcoin. That's how you become a millionaire, and that's how you make your money.
Yeah, I got my money on the sidelines right now waiting. And I was just like, I'm trying to see which one I want to get more into. I bought more Tesla. I had VW, but it's like I'm thinking about putting a lot into it. Like I told you, I wanted to sell out and put most of it in crypto, but these opportunities just keep popping up, man. So it makes me weird. It makes me wonder. Let's rapid fire these messages, Silk.
Yo, Silk, listen, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. You guys know I'm at work. My girl's at home, like IR list, you know. But she's about to put $100 on a penny stock. I'm on the Robinhood for me right now. I don't know. What do you think, man? You think of BNGO? Do you think it's too late now? It's 2 hours late, hour and a half.
Hey, the BNGO, man, you might have missed it when it was down low, man. It didn't skyrocket it back up. I see Silk with us. See what I'm saying, man? You a lucky guy, man.
I don't
Every
think
time you say a sticker
BNGO
go up.
Yeah,
Huh?
I don't think BNGO is too late. I don't think it's too late. I mean, right now in the market, BNGO, it's never too late for BNGO. You know why? Because I believe in the company. I'm not just going off of the catalyst. I believe in the company. The company itself is doing well. So BNGO. I believe in BNGO because one thing about me, I'm into these genetic field and I watch them closely. So even though it's not too late, say if you put $100 in, you probably get. I'm doing the calculation. See, that's the type of person I am too. Like I like to be accurate with stuff, so I'm doing the calculations for you right now. So let's get the next message, and I chime back in. I don't want to hold nothing up.
All right.
It requires a ridiculous amount of dumb money that doesn't understand investment principles. Because if you give that money to Elon, you're never going to get that money back.
He said if you give that money to Elon, you're never going to get it back.
I didn't catch it, but
I hope that's not what he meant, man. We ain't really hearing you that good because you was far away, but I hope that ain't what you're saying, man.
That's a thing because today I was watching. It's actually on live where they did the Starship 11 test, flight, is it fire test or something like that. So he's getting there. He's really getting there. Now the question is, he's not yet made the SpaceX an IPO because he's being funded. He's getting funds from NASA, so there's no need for him at the moment. But then I believe in the near future he's gonna make it an IPO, and the estimation of it that was estimated for the share price was at $22,000 US dollars. Now that is when he start doing the space tourism and everything. So I believe that looking at long term, the guy has a really huge potential, and
Hey, if you really think about it, stuff like Elon Musk's SpaceX, it don't need to go public because people believe in Tesla. They gonna invest in Tesla and inadvertently, help SpaceX out. This is a perfect time in history because private corporations are pushing innovation more than the government ever has. If you really look at it, that's what they're doing right now. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos and all these guys are pouring money. That's why NASA and them are looking to them. You know what I'm saying? Because the government is so slow at doing anything. Look how they still vote. They was still voting on impeachment for Trump 2 to 3 months after the guy that got out of office. What does it matter now? You ain't gonna do nothing about it. The government always been slow to innovation. You know what I'm saying? Just like they slow at everything else. So it's good that that people like Elon Musk is pushing this stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's good that they pouring all this money. It's good that they pushing cryptocurrency on us. You know what I'm saying? He pushing it not for his own benefit. Well, it's for his own benefit, but I feel like he genuinely cares. You get what I'm saying? Just like Silk was saying before, Elon Musk wants to see these things come to fruition in his lifetime. You know what I'm saying? Like I was just telling y'all, look at that Mars documentary on Netflix. You could see what the guy is talking about there. That's what they actually doing in real life. So I'm glad that he pushing all this stuff on us.
If back to what I was looking up, you can make my out is gonna be $12.50 at BNGO. But if you want to put money into the media or whatever that is, ZOM.
I got 2,000 shares of that.
That's $2 a share. So
I got 2,000 shares of it right now.
that's something that you want to put your money in and get more for your buck. That's why I say, like, it all depends what type of level you at as an investor. But you always want to stay between $0 to $10. So by BNGO being a $9 share, you want to start off with like 0 to 5 to try to make you some money in the market when you're gambling. So I would suggest put it into ZOM, ticker symbol ZOM, and then go from there.
Yeah, like I said, I got 2,000 shares. I'm already on that one, man. I got 2,000 shares when it was a little bit lower. So that's that's another popular one too. You guys check out the Robinhood Top 100. That's a part of that. ZOM Media. Let's get another one, Silk.
Oh yeah, I heard about that Hyperloop thing. Basically, they're gonna dig tunnels in the ground, because the Earth crust is really, really deep. So they're gonna dig tunnels really, really far down, reinforce them, and basically you're gonna like shoot through them at really high speeds, and it'll take you from one place to another. But the practicality of that is a little bit, I don't know. Plus, we're already destroying the environment enough, and I think that the government, once they start doing more things green, they're not going to really go for a plan like that. So it's probably not really going to pan out. That's just my opinion, though.
I hear you, Spirit Bearer, but let me tell you something right now. It's already too late. We were just in Las Vegas last week. You know what I'm saying? We went out there, we did a little show because we're serious about this and educating people. And guess what? They got something built under the new Las Vegas Convention Center right now, which is a Hyperloop right under it. You understand? So it's all, look, it's not something that's going to come. It's here already. Overseas, I think one of those cities is getting ready to set up. I'm going to look up and get the information, but it's getting ready to set up to already do it because America's infrastructure is terrible. They just had a winter storm in Texas just now, and they couldn't handle it because the infrastructure is terrible. It's outdated, and these corporations are not putting money back into America. You know what they put money back into? The stock share price. Did you know only 6% of the money in most companies go back into innovation? That's why these companies are so behind. Why do you think Tesla took over GM and Ford? And because they stuck in the old times. They worried about the shareholder instead of infrastructure and innovation. Now they want to jump on and they take all the money they got to make EVs. You got Ford, Chrysler, GM. Now they want to take all their money and put it into EVs and stuff. Like, it's too late. You behind the 8 ball, buddy. You should have been ahead. This Hyperloop stuff, I'm sorry. Hey, Spirit Bear, I know you like an environmental guy. You know what I'm saying? I seen your profile. I see you doing your music. You kind of like, you know what I'm saying? You on the edge of that, but I'm telling you, this Hyperloop stuff is real, man. We looking into the future, and you got to understand, we just left a situation, a political situation where they didn't give a damn about the environment. All of a sudden, we got an administration that cares a little bit. They still don't give a damn about the environment. This Hyperloop is coming. You better bet your dollars this Hyperloop is coming. And if I can get from Detroit to Vegas in 1.5 hours an hour through a damn vacuum tube, you better believe I'm probably gonna be on that train, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So look that up. Under the Las Vegas Convention Center, the new one, I think they're building something underground there. Elon Musk is a part of that. So look into that, Spirit Bear. I'm not going against you. I'm just telling you what I think. I can only always give you my honest opinion. Let's get some more messages. So,
you know, he is supporting crypto or buying that huge amount of crypto. I mean, he didn't even buy the Bitcoin in millions. He bought it in billions. Now, that says a lot. For a guy like Elon to put in, a guy like Elon who's owned PayPal, who's owned so many other companies, who's been such a great influence. If he makes such a decision, I think people should be really watch it. Look at the possibilities. Yeah, if Elon is able to do that if that Starship 11 makes a successful flight, man, things are going to move at an astronomical rate that we've never seen before.
That's what, hey, look, man. Hey, Emmanuel.
They already trying to get to the point where that's why these satellites are important, man. We need to involve in technology. That's why I keep telling everybody, now is the time to get in this genome market. After the pandemic, all you're going to see is health. You're going to see my favorite vegan ticker symbol. I forgot about it right now, but it'll come to me. Chef something. It's going to kick off. You're going to see vegan restaurants blow up. You're going to see a lot of health stuff blow up. The reason why I heard you talking about the cashew nut market is taking over in Ghana. You know why? Because people are getting off meat, or meat will be lacking. The lack of meat is going to be real. It's already the lack of wood. So if anybody want to invest short term, LL is a good ticker symbol for lumber. wood it's a lack of materials, man. Everybody like is a state of emergency when it comes to like the lack of a lot of shit out here. So that's why that cashew market in Ghana is going to take off. That's what I'm looking to do when I get to Ghana. I'm going to get into the peanut field, but that's neither here nor there. But I'm just telling y'all, like stuff is about to take off and take off at an astronomical rate because of 5G. No, it's going to be 13G. Like stuff is just going to shoot to the moon, and all these cures that we didn't have in that last century, all of a sudden you're gonna have a cure for this, a cure for that, cure for cancer, cure for that. But it is gonna be one disease that you won't have a cure for, like the Bible said. But definitely I think that's AIDS. But we'll talk about that on another show. But let's get into it. Let's fire these messages off. I know you gotta go.
Oh, okay. All right.
What are you guys doing right now, my brother?
Next.
On my mama, we making money. Let's get it.
He said, on my mama, we making money.
No. I'm feeling BNGO too. I mean, since Friday, I looked them up. I've been checking them out. I definitely did the research on the stuff we was talking about Friday, but I am trying to get in. My girl fell asleep, man. She's at home. She got injured over the weekend. Just trying to see, like, if because I missed that, like, I don't know, less than $1, but, you know, is it too late for the day?
Remember he said she only got $100 to invest. You would say put that $100 in BNGO? Me, I would go.
If he want to get in BNGO, I mean, it'll make him like $40 tomorrow at the least. So it ain't never too late to get in BNGO because BNGO is scheduled to be at $15. Like the people that was it's a couple analysts got it at $15. Even the low was $14. So that's a win-win situation.
BNGO. Okay.
Whoa, that's crazy, man. Thanks for letting me know about that. I didn't know they already had a Hyperloop built. I'm gonna look into that right now. Hey, if you like those vegan stocks, I got 2 for you right now that are down and are gonna be picking back up because they have some really big stuff going on. So here you go. Conagra, CAG, and then you got Tofuti, which is a tofu brand, and it's TOFB. They're both down right now, and I promise you they're gonna go back up because that's half of my diet. Even I eat most of the stuff that they sell. So, and whenever I go to the stores, their stuff is almost sold out. So I guarantee you, their stocks are going up.
Hey, check this out. A lot of people, it's a lot of mixed feelings in the vegan community. Like I just started in the vegan community, but tofu is actually engineered, man. So that's one thing. Like it's like it's so many levels to like the vegan or the raw stuff. Tofu is engineered. So when you dealing with a vegan, we want to deal with something that's natural and stuff like that. So it's a lot of mixed feelings about that. Actually, I want to hear what you got to say about tofu. Like tofu, I'm not a fan on tofu because it's engineered. So I'm just
like tilapia.
I'm just with the raw. I'm with the raw, natural stuff. So yeah, but good looking on the ticker symbol. But I like Tattoo Chef. Tattoo Chef is coming out with a cauliflower crust pizza, and that's popular, and that's already hitting up Walmart. So I forgot the ticker symbol, but the name of it is Tattoo Chef. So check that out.
Yeah, I seen that. That's a popular one too, man. That tattoo, that the whole plant-based market is going to be something to look out for, especially when you see these fast food giants trying to pick it up. Don't McDonald's or one of them got plant-based burgers now? Remember that was the hot thing, like you said. That's gonna be the hot
Burger King, Impossible Meat.
Oh yeah. I was at McDonald's and one of them got a plant-based burger. I went like, "What is this, man?" He was like, "It's plant-based, buddy." I was like, "Wow." You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I guess. But anyway, let's get some more messages down, Silk.
Big facts, Silk. I'm my mama.
Oh, it's gonna
Hey,
take off big time, man. I already got my dad down in Ghana. He's looking up lands, in acres. Cause boy, when I check the price of acquiring one cashew plant, from the nursery, it's like, I think, one Ghana city, 10 pesos, or 1 Ghana city, 50 pesos. And that, I'm good with that. I can buy thousands of it, if not 10,000s of it, and grow them. And once a plant grows, every year you're making profits. And I don't even have to I don't have to do much. So, right now, for me, whilst I'm looking at crypto, whilst I'm looking at, stocks and shares and everything, I'm also looking at Africa big time, man. Big time. Like, the profit margins is so.
What is
hey,
this?
hit me up on Twitter, man. Just hit me up on Twitter.
What is this
Real
cashew
talk.
stuff he's talking about? Like,
Hey,
I
you
don't
look
even.
into that. Yeah, you look into that cashew stuff, and maybe we could do some business. So just definitely hit me up on Twitter. I got my Twitter posted on my bio, so definitely hit me up. I'm into
Hey,
that.
I gotta get with you, man, because I don't understand that. I'm gonna get with it, but I don't understand that as much. Let's get some more messages, Silk.
Bro, tofu is just fermented soybeans. They make it in Japan naturally. Yeah, some countries process it. Some companies process it, but not all of them.
Yeah, and that's what I want to look up, man. Hey, I'm gonna get with y'all, man, because I was seriously, I've been going to like a ton of vegan restaurants. So, man, I've been trying to get like this YouTube thing going. So, huh?
You told me you was turning vegan.
Yeah, man, I had a fucking beautiful ass bean burger yesterday. It ain't sit too well on my stomach. I had gas a little bit, but that's just because all the bad stuff I've been taking in. So, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I felt full, but I didn't feel sleepy, man. So if everybody just try it for a day, just try vegan for a day. Like, that's how I got my little beer stomach down, man. Like, when I got it, out of there. So I was like, you know what? Let me eat vegan for the day, because it don't take long for your food to digest through your system when you going vegan. Like, even with the cheese, man, like, I suggest that for everybody. But let's fire these messages off, bro. We behind again. That's crazy.
Hey, it's easy to get behind on here, man.
I don't know. This is my feeling on Tattoo Chef. Since people are going to be going out more, I don't think Tattoo Chef's going to be that hot. I think it's going to die down a little bit because people are probably going to try to move away from like frozen foods, and So that's my take on it.
I don't know, man. Hey.
One thing about this, man, we love debating. So I got one for you too. Yeah, everybody gonna be going out and going to these restaurants, but one thing about these vegan restaurants, they expensive as hell. Plus, if you want to do, I got some vegan chicken nuggets in my freezer right now. So just imagine, they're not gonna get away from it. You still want quick food in your house. That's one thing you want. Everybody want Hot Pockets, this, that, and the other. You want some quick food in your house all the time, every time. So yeah, I'm loving these debates. Hey, we're gonna have to do that, like frozen food, quick food debates at your house versus going out to eat. Because vegan restaurants, they charge damn near $20 for a burger, bro. It all depends what state you go to.
Man. It's hot right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hear what you're saying. What he was saying, swing time. But that's just where the future gonna be, man. People gonna all move to that eventually. They already talking about, look where we going in the car market and all that. It's all moving towards a healthy situation. Like, if you get these EV cars out here, it's all electricity. We ain't worried about emissions no more. It's kind of like that with the plant-based thing. Me, while Silk was enjoying his nice plant-based burger, I had me a nice fat ribeye the other day. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I had enjoyed at the time. But now I'm hearing you guys talking about it. Shoot, I never thought about moving over to being a vegan.
Man, hey, just let me know what you're doing today, bro. I can take you to this vegan restaurant, man, and get you that bean burger, bro. You might even, it tastes so good, you might even slap your mama, dog. Like, that's how good it is.
But look, I don't want it to mess my stomach because when you can't make a sharp change.
No, bro, it ain't gonna. It ain't gonna mess your stomach up. You gonna get full, and then you gonna be like, damn. Why I feel like I can still you can go hoop after, because that's our teeth. Our teeth ain't made for meat, bro. Our teeth is made. Our teeth is not made for meat. Our teeth is made for energy foods like vegetables, fruit. Like that's what our teeth is made for.
Oh well, my mouth telling me something different when I eat that ribeye. Let's get some more messages. So.
Greetings to all, man. I just bought myself some Tattoo Chef. Okay? You all out there, go and grab yourself some Tattoo Chef.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Grab that Tattoo Chef. That's the future right
there. You think about this. Number one, the market is going to go crazy after the pandemic. You're going to see all this health shit going on, all this Geno stuff. Because remember what I told y'all, there's going to be an imbalance coming up soon when the baby boomers in 2030, it's going to be more old than young. So they have to keep us alive, or the baby boomers alive, so that gap can close in. Then they can do right now, because right now the gap is going to be, it's going to be in 2030, it's going to be way more older people than young people. They got to close that gap. So what they're going to have to do is keep us alive. That's why they pushing all this vegan, all this other stuff. Vegan is hot on the market, bro. Hot on the market, no matter what.
Yeah, it's going to stay that way too. Shoot. Let's get some more messages, Silk.
Beyond Meat is a good long-term one. BYND.
Yeah, don't they have that in the grocery stores? Beyond Meat?
Yeah, I made some spaghetti yesterday on that stuff.
I went to Whole Foods or something. Now they got Beyond Meat in there. That's like
trust me, bro. It tastes just like meat. Like, give it a try. That's all I gotta say is give it a try, bro.
I'm actually gonna just like meat. Just because y'all said it, I'm gonna do it, man.
You change your whole diet, you're gonna lose weight without even trying to lose weight, bro.
Yeah, see, what I'm trying to do is keep my mind mentally strong, stock market, because if you keep your mind mentally strong, and I also want to keep my health up, because how I'm gonna make money in the stock market if I'm dead from eating meat? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna start.
And then when you eat meat, you adapt to you don't know what that animal went through, bro. I'm just talking deep right now. You don't know what that animal went through. So that animal probably been tortured. So by you eating that meat, you adapt to that animal's. Like every time I eat meat, it's like a spirit just come over me, like, damn, but it's like you already knew what that animal went through. That's why I don't eat meat like that. Like the shit crazy, man.
Man, y'all teaching me something right now. I'm over here looking like, damn, I've been eating meat like
another thing too, when you meditate, bro, you can't have that. You can't have all that. That you got to eat right so you can meditate and amplify. That's like getting an amplifier for your meditation. When you meditate and you want money and you want this, that, and that, you can't eat no meat and shit like that because you want your stuff pure. You want your vibrations. You want your vibrations to be amplified so you can get this money out here. That's why I'm telling y'all. When I said I'm gonna make 168,000 K in 3 weeks, I'm gonna make that shit, and I'm gonna show y'all.
I actually believe, baby, you ain't got to tell me. I seen the money. I know the truth. I was like, shoot, you ain't got to explain nothing to me. I know you will, man. That's just how it works out sometimes. Let's get some more messages, Silk.
Yeah, tofu in general is not fermented. Tempeh is.
I don't even see. Look, I don't even. when y'all bring up the tofu and all that stuff, like I don't know nothing about that stuff, man.
Bro, it can be a motherfucking 5-hour discussion on is tofu good. A lot of people we got to have a debate about that too one day. We got to have maybe we do some debates on Saturday and shit like, because this shit is like some crazy ass debates when it comes to like being vegan, what vegans believe in and what they don't. And I know hardcore vegans they don't mess with tofu, but I'm gonna have to look into what Spirit Bear was talking about with the other tofu. But
all of that, whatever's gonna make me like clear of mind. You know what I'm saying? I don't think in my entire life I've not ate meat, or I just went completely vegetarian. I want something that's, you know what I'm saying, so I could be clear when I'm doing the stock market, or, we always talk about the stocks and stuff like this, but we never talk about people's mental. You know what I'm saying? Because people don't have the ability to focus anymore. That's what social media has done to a lot of people. Like, I'm sitting there explaining the stock market to one of my friends, man, and they couldn't stop looking at his phone for 2 seconds. And I was like, hey, man, you want to make money or you want to get on Facebook all damn day? So if you ask me about something, pay attention. You get what I'm saying? It's just like people's attention spans is so short now. They can't even pay attention to make money for their life. That's why I tell you guys, you pay attention to these shows, keep your attention span and your eye on the prize, on the money. Don't get distracted by stupid things. Like I told you guys before, this is the first time in my entire life that I have been off, exactly. I mean, since I had it, Facebook. I've been on Facebook like twice in a month or two. That's crazy for me. I used to be one of those guys that wake up and I want to see what's going on. And then I realized that I was a part of a system. So I switched that over to the stock market. Like, you know what? Let me get something that's going to make me some money. I don't want to wake up and know about somebody's life. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the only way to catch up now. It's like people don't know how to communicate anymore. Let's get some more messages. So,
hey, shout out to Einstein Papa dropping knowledge on the gardening and farming. I'm about to head out to Puerto Rico right now, and I'm going to be working with a nonprofit, most likely, where we're going to be growing food for the locals, and the money we make by selling it will go back into the project. But that's definitely a way that you can basically grow money, because if you do it the right way, it grows by itself. It's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah,
He was talking about that earlier. Remember, I told you?
Hey, let me know when you go out to Puerto Rico, let me know what that is, because I'm supposed to be going to Puerto Rico April 8th now. It's got delayed. My flight got delayed, so April 8th.
Yep.
B, I have 1,000 acres. What can we do with it, bro? Give me some thoughts. So, hello. What can we do with it? 1,000 acres in Ghana right now.
Hey, man. Hey, let's make some money, bro. Like, 1,000 acres in Ghana, bro. That's crazy.
Man, I would see if I can get some contracts and get with some utility companies and find out what my land is worth. Like, that's a lot of land, man. If you got that over in Ghana, you winning right now. Because every time we talk about Africa, everybody's saying that it's going to take off. Something's going to take off. Crypto is going to kill it over there. So what would he do?
Go to my profile. Go to my Twitter profile and follow me. Or I don't even know how that shit works, but send me a message, man. Like, we can talk about that for sure.
All right.
Yo, JV, I dropped you a chart on your Instagram page, man. Have a look at it and tell me what you think of it, bro.
All right. Hey, you always dropping me jewels, man. I'm about to go. I'm going to check it out right after the show.
Bro, yes, people go out to eat and all that, but you go out to eat 7 nights a week, 6, even 5. You know what I'm saying? You're eating frozen food a lot, man. Maybe not a lot, but more than you think you are. And in the future, think about it, man. Like you guys said, meatless or going less meat. Bro, the future is in space, man. Realistically. Freezers.
Let me tell y'all something about these frozen foods that y'all think that you're not. In my early days, I was younger. I used to be a meat cutter at Kroger, which is a grocery store for the people that's overseas. I used to be a meat cutter. You know where we got that fresh meat that you guys think you're eating? We took it right out of the freezer. You understand what I'm saying? I went right into the section of the grocery store, and we used to take the shrimp right out of those bags and pour it right in there. And guess what? Those people be like, "Oh, this is fresh shrimp." I was like, "This is the same damn shrimp that you buying in the day." And you know what I'm saying? They don't know that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that was just a little gem I was dropping. Frozen foods ain't going nowhere.
Once I hit 40, I think everybody should aim at that figure. 40 years old, you have to be completely financially independent. You must decide when you want to relax, where you want to go, and like you said, yeah, there's going to be a whole shift of people now pushing to look at diet change. A whole lot. Plant-based products are going to hit the market. Healthy eating is going to hit the market. And all that kind of stuff. Crypto is going to be off the charts. Because a lot of people are going to be scared touching money. At least for the initial phase, they don't want to touch money. They want to use crypto to make payments. Already contactless payment is taking over. People get paid their salaries and stuff like that. And they don't even see the money in hard cash. Everything is contactless. You don't see it. You keep tapping till your money your money is all gone. So I mean, yeah, that's a whole.
Look at it, man. Hey, man. I see you guys got different avatars under here, but I know you guys' voices. You know what I'm saying? And that's the guy on the. He had another avatar, but look, y'all should listen to him too, man. He always drop gems with us and always give knowledge. That's why I appreciate you, man.
Wow, BNGO is going up here. I'm up over $500. BNGO, it's to the moon.
I'll be trying.
Get that money, dog. Get that money.
Yo, y'all got me hyped. I should have just jumped in at the beginning of the show.
You bought in better than I did, though. So shout outs to you, man. You bought in way better than I did.
He said he made
BNGO, man. He bought in at $8.98 or something like that. I bought in at $9.08. So shout out to you, man.
Because I might make this move right now as we talking. Silk, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just looking at money. We got
to. We both looking at the. I'm looking like being. You made $500.
I'm about to hit the button, bro.
I'm about to get this. I'm about to get off this radio show right now to see what's going on.
So when it comes to decision making, in terms of buying shares and stocks and everything, I think people shouldn't just jump on the Volkswagen thing with trying to merge or trying to imitate. I don't know what they're trying to do with the Tesla trying to model their VW cars, in the model of Tesla. But I think that there's a huge potential right now. There's a huge potential that people should keep watching Elon, and especially those who buy shares in Tesla shouldn't just jump off to another company just because they're trying to be Tesla or trying to make something in the same likeness of Tesla. So as shares is concerned, people should still stick with it. Buy more of Tesla because I know it's gonna shoot. And you want to be right there when it does that.
You want to be diversified. That's what we're talking about, being diversified. Tesla is good, and that's long term for me. I'm not selling my Tesla. My plan is to get to 1,000 shares of Tesla, but 100 to 1,000 shares of Tesla is good. So that's my plan. But in the meantime, between time, just like Bitcoin, when we was talking about how Bitcoin jumped and then followed by altcoin, if Tesla jump, everybody else gonna be looking at these other brands and gonna make money. It's naturally gonna make money. So why wouldn't you diversify your portfolio and get into all these other markets that's into the EV market? Because EV market sector is gonna be hot regardless. Cano, all those. So definitely.
Also, one thing I like to tell all the listeners, they should look at that Pi network. So I've been following. It beats me that I didn't even get to know of this way long time ago. Already I've been on, and I'm clocking like 618, mining like 18. But I think because I think their main net is gonna start in 2021, the end of 2021. And yesterday they on March 31st they're gonna come up with the P wallet, and they're gonna so I mean, a whole lot going on, a whole lot. I think that one also has a huge potential with the fact that they are picking up numbers really, really fast in the millions, and and the fact that it's going on people's phone, it means that the huge majority are gonna have it. And if its market price comes in, we still have a good chance.
Hey,
Yeah, that's a damn genius strategy, bro.
I already
Check out
said,
my bio, bro. The link is in the description.
yeah,
If
I
y'all
already
ain't
said
in the
that Pi
pie,
Network will take off, man.
it's taking off, and you can tell just by like when a few people like on your team, like I can tell like when you're activated. Javo, you wasn't activated yesterday. I think you noticed that, and then you hit
Yeah,
the
yeah,
button.
yeah.
But
Oh,
soon
oh,
as
yeah.
you get activated, you got to stay activated because you're the catalyst for me. You know what I'm saying? Like the people
I
that's
think I went
under
up for
me
like an
that
hour, but then I seen it on my notifications and I just reactivated. My
yeah.
phone died or something. Yeah.
As soon as you click on, man, my pie just turn up because you brought me in. So I
Yeah.
stay on my team, and then basically make sure you stay on your team. Link is in the description if y'all don't have the Pi Network. It's
Yeah.
all
The
a
new
newcomer.
listeners in here, get with that Pi Network. That's what he's talking about. It's a free cryptocurrency right now that you can mine on your phone. Get into that. They talking about it could be as high as $10 a pie now. I got 108 pie. You know what I'm saying? I've been mining for 3 weeks, 2 weeks now. So y'all get into it. I mean, if you're new, check that link out on Silk or my page and get involved. I mean, shoot, it's not gonna cost you nothing. You know what I'm saying? So let's get some more Reese's messages. Let me get something for 140.
Hey, if you want a documentary that's gonna change your mind about meat and all that stuff, watch this documentary on YouTube. It's called Dominion. And then it's like a 2-hour long thing. It shows the inside of all the different factories and all that stuff. But that'll definitely make you want to go vegan.
Don't even set him up for failure like that. Don't watch that shit, Javo. That should have had your ass becoming a vegan immediately. That shit nasty as fuck.
You seen it?
But yeah, I seen it. I seen it a long time ago.
Oh, I'm gonna actually watch it, man. You said it'll turn me. I need something to make me healthy, man. I need to be healthy so I can talk to you guys about stocks Mondays and Wednesdays at 9 a.m. for a long time to come. Let's get some more.
Oh yeah, that's a lock. We can lock that in for a Saturday. We got Saturday with Silk and Javo. Nah, I'm just playing.
Hey, we like I said, we're gonna try to add more shows, man, because I see people are hungry for the information. They hungry to see what's going on, and so am I. So we're gonna add some more time to it. I'm about to look. Actually, right now, I'm about to go find out what's going on with my job. I don't even know if I lost my job, but I am gonna go up there to see what's going on. And I just told y'all earlier, I'm not even worried about it because my road to financial freedom is right before my eyes. The stuff we're talking about right now is right in front of my eyes. You get what I'm saying? It's money to be made, and it's easy to get. I just gotta get it.
One thing about me, man, I'm like short on commitments right now. So by me doing Monday and Wednesday, the commitment is great for me right now because I don't feel like it's a job. If I do like more days, it might feel like a job, and then you might see Javo on here by itself.
Hey, I don't think the Stereo app lets you do that. Hey, look, and by the way, I've been at my job for 10, 11 years. This ain't no Burger King job I'm going to quit. This over $30 an hour. I'm making good money, but it's like I'm taking my time up, man, and I feel like I got a shackle on my leg. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't really go. I got to go to this factory job. I'm not really doing a whole lot, but it's like I'm tired of that shit. I just want to do the stock thing. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I'm tired of these people got control and power over me. I could just be my own boss. Anyway, let's get some more messages, Silk.
Hey, I'm watching Volkswagen stock go up and up. I'm about to buy more.
Hey, I
I
told
told
you.
you, it's
No,
just common sense, man.
he
I
said
mean,
both.
I like Tesla over Volkswagen, but it's just common sense to just join Volkswagen and ride that ride that hype. I'm in it for the money. I ain't in it for, I root for Elon Musk over Volkswagen all day, but I'm in it for the money.
Yeah, he said it's going up right now. We missing these opportunities, man. You probably already in it.
Hey yo, I ain't gonna hold you, man. Good looking. Full disclosure, I bought 30 in the ZOM, I bought 20 in the BNGO, and I put 50 into Ethereum.
He said he put
That's
what in
what's up. He bought, he basically purchased he split his $100 up. So that's definitely good look. You definitely being diversified like that.
No, big bro, it ain't that she had $100. It's just that I wanted to experiment with the actual stocks instead of like everything else I've been involved with. So I just wanted to experiment with $100, try 3 things.
Oh yeah,
Hey.
for sure. We're gonna be coming off with some more bangers, bro.
Hey,
when I come up with these hot stocks, man, it's like I'm gonna let y'all know before the market even open up, man, because I want y'all to. I want you to see if y'all know what we talking about. Like I want in real time, like to make money in real time.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Big shout out to MM team. Yeah, man. Look, we could do a lot with that amount of land. Like I said, right now. Anyway, last time you hit me up. Right now, most of the time I'm a little bit busy, but hey, I'm gonna be off in a couple of days coming, and man, we're gonna be talking. Trust me, man, we're gonna be talking a lot. There's so much we could do. Now, I ran with one philosophy that one surgeon who was in the United States of Ghana, United States, came all the way to Ghana, and she quit her job as a neurosurgeon. Now, that's one of the highest paid medical professionals, and she came to Ghana and she started corn, growing of plantation of corn, and also the growing of tomato. Now, what she did was, we had a seminar in Ghana where she asked one question,
Oh wow.
Okay, so let me just give you a little bit of information, on the whole cashew thing in Ghana. So I did some research and I found out that Ghana produces Ghana has a cashew processing factory that has been built by the government, and it has a capacity to produce about 70,000 tons of cashew. But then I got to know that overall total of cashew being produced in Ghana is at 50,000 tons. So I said, okay, wait, hold up a second. So the overall cashew being produced in Ghana is at 50,000 tons, but then the capacity of the processing companies is at 70,000 tons, meaning we're short like 20,000 tons. So I'm like, wait, what are we waiting for? There's the cashew being produced in Ghana is not even enough for the processing company. It's factory. It's just.
Yeah, I smell opportunity. Shout out to you. Like I said, I put that in my bio, my Twitter, my new Twitter. I just joined yesterday, so I got to get Javo Twitter so he can have more friends. But my Twitter is in the bio. The pie thing is in the bio. Let's get this money, man. Let's turn up.
So I got to know that there's more room for the cashew to be grown, and land acquisition is low. You don't even need $10,000 to even get kickstart. You understand? All you need is to have reliable source in Ghana, buying lands, and doing your plantation, and then just get somebody to look over the nursery stages and growth stages, doing all the cultural practices and everything, and that's it. You good. Once the plant hits maturity, that's it. You're gonna be harvesting every single year, and the thing is, every year, the next year, the following year is much more than the year before. And you keep earning more and more and more. So I'm like, I'm not waiting. Nah, I'm not waiting.
Hey, Emmanuel, drop me a message on my Twitter or my Instagram, man. I want to find out more about it. I don't really understand it. You know what I'm saying? I'll get with Silk, but I want to hear it from you, so you could probably teach me, because it sounds like a good opportunity.
We can sign some documents. Me and Javo can go in on that. We can sign some documents, and you run it and send us the money, and we'll make money. That's how we'll make money. Well, eventually, I plan on going to Ghana anyway, because I want to look over the land and do some investing. So definitely hit us up. Well, let's fire through these messages.
Yo, I got an OTC stock that's gonna go up for y'all. Baby F. They make baby food that's vegan for kids, like first of its kind. They're gonna hit into the baby food market. Crazy. Stock is down a little bit right now. Looks promising. Check it out.
Baby F? You ever heard of that, Silk?
Never. BABYF. So Baby F, we got it wrote down.
That's crazy, bro. They're coming out with everything now.
Vegan baby food. And that's something big for people. A lot of people don't know that they used to make homemade baby food. Somebody did make homemade baby food, but it was like raw vegetables. So yeah, that's what's up right there. Get your kids' brains started off on the right path.
I gotta look at it first, man, because it gotta be a baby. You know, babies, you gotta be a baby food they gonna eat though. You know what I'm saying? I hope it ain't made up of full of vegetables or something.
If it's only food, if that's the only food that they eat, they're gonna eat it. If you only feeding them, if you only feeding a baby, if you start a baby out with just feeding them what they're supposed to be fed, you know what I'm saying? Then they're gonna eat it. Like babies ain't picky like us when we get older. Let's fire off these messages. Because it's past.
Okay,
12.
I am having the hardest time finding y'all on Twitter. JVO TV, whenever I look for you, it still says account suspended. Silk Hollow, I was looking for you. And unless your real name is Emojo LaFlora, and you got to go to work today, which is hard to believe since you said you retired, your messages aren't getting to you because somebody posted a screenshot of this page, of the Stereo app, and they tag exactly what your names are on here, but they're going to different people. So yeah, need more info, please.
Mate, mine, every time I click it, mine work. Mine is just JVO TV on Twitter. So my name, I don't got my real name linked to it. It's just JVO TV. So I don't know why I keep doing that, but when I click it, it always goes straight to it. I'll just keep putting it back up there. All right, you know what?
Yeah.
Brandy, I think that
I got you on my bio. I just verified.
Huh?
Yeah, click on my bio on Stereo. I just verified my app. That is my real name. But click on the bio on the Stereo app. I just verified my Twitter.
You verified your Twitter?
Yeah, I just verified it.
Every time I try to verify on one of those sites, man, it's telling me that I can't do it or something. Like, that's crazy.
Well, I get with you on it. It's just something. It's real simple. Maybe, but let's keep going.
Again, that's Baby F, BABYF.
Baby.
Shout out to Spirit Bear, man, dropping these bombshells, man.
You know, I tried being a vegan. I tried it for about a month. See if I felt a different, like pump or health wise. I didn't feel, much of anything. But I say do whatever makes you feel good. Morally, physically. As far as mental clarity, focus here, JVO. You might want to take a look at like nootropics supplements that will encourage like mental focus, clarity, all that. Shit, I need some of that. I'm taking some now. I feel like I'm ADD half the time. And as far as a tattoo chef, I actually like their stuff.
I get boxes of their Aki Bowl, if you pronounce that very correctly, the Aki Bowl from Costco. They make some good stuff. But I'm just saying, it's summertime. People want to go out. People are tired being at home, with the pandemic. And that's what I'm saying, that they might go down.
Hey, shout out to you, man. But at the same time, don't give up, man. Don't give up on the vegan thing. Like, I was in and out, back and forth, back and forth. I'm still back and forth, back and forth. But at the same time, I am transitioning to 100% vegan. But you just feel better when you eating. Just eat the same, try to focus 3 days on vegan foods, and you'll see the difference in the energy when you wake up, how you feel, how your stomach look. Like, I did it for a whole week and I lost like 20 pounds just eating vegan. So, and I wasn't even trying. I ain't even exercise. So definitely give it another chance.
And the question that she asked was, Emmanuel, when you grow, when you put a plant or you put a corn seed on the ground, are you the one that makes it grow? And I said, well, no. As long as the conditions are set, whether you like it or not, in a couple of months to come, you're going to have more than you put on the ground. Now, that is the kind of investment. Now, she plants corn and tomatoes, and what she did was, instead of selling it locally, she exported it organically to the United States for better money, and she didn't even have to put that much money in it. And that's it. Now she travels all over the world, enjoying life, man. So don't worry about them acres. We're gonna speak, bruv. We're gonna speak, and a whole lot can pop up.
Hey, we on it.
Hey, also, man, Volvo got that same subscription hookup too.
Yeah, Nate, I was just talking about that. Volvo got that Volkswagen got that subscription. So definitely check that out, man. That's a game changer when you pay your car note and ain't gotta fucking worry about insurance. And well, speaking of insurance, Tesla gonna have some bangers off some insurance too. So be aware of that.
Tesla.
Hey, yo, J-Vo, man. Also, man, just good luck today, dude. But regardless, just know everything's gonna work out, man.
Hey, good looking, man. Good looking, because I'm making a big life decision right now, man. I'm believing in myself more than I believe in situations. Now, if I get the job back, I will go up there and go through it, but I got my mind set on what I want to do. So I appreciate you saying that, man. It gives me confidence.
Come here and get a shot, bro.
Even though other people doubt you. They doubt.
I'm down the street, so come here and get a shot. If you need me to hold your hand and walk you up there, man, like,
hey, no,
I don't want to hear that shit, man. Things happen for a reason. I got pulled out. I quit my job in January, and I got pulled out the market before it crashed. So I was able to keep the money that I generated from all that time. So things happen for a reason, man. When the universe say, "Hey, it's time to explore," don't worry about it. Keep the doubts out your head and do what you got to do. Doors will open.
I ain't got no doubts. It's not until you talk to other people and they put their doubts upon you. Oh, I don't know, or that might be a bad idea. If you quit your job, how you gonna make money? What is it? I said, look, you think I'm quitting this shit without knowing you know what I'm saying? It's like they put those fears on you, and you in turn start doubting yourself from listening to other people. That's why I'll be like, hey, man, I don't need, every time I don't listen to people, I win. But when I listen to them, they can't help but to put those fears on me because they scared to drop their job. They scared that they won't be able to pay their mortgage. They scared. I understand that. You know what I'm saying? But if you never take a chance, you never going to get it. You taking 100% chance of not getting something because you ain't take the shot. You get what I'm saying? You didn't take a shot. I'm taking the shot. Don't doubt me. But anyway, let's get it.
One thing I always say to people should look into whilst you're looking into stocks, crypto, shares, and all that, like you rightfully said, man, people should look into their health. It's very important. There is no point making money when you're dead. You can't make money when you're dead or when you're gonna die. So you gotta keep your health in check. And one thing I recommend for everyone is to get some moringa. You know, have some moringa. It's one of the few plant-based proteins. Moringa has a 60% plant-based protein, so you don't have all those side effects of the uric acid and the purines and the pyrimidines and all those things that accompany with it. I always tell people you gotta keep your liver, your kidney, these boys and your heart, these boys in check all the time. Eating moringa provides you with all the nutrients, provides you everything. It costs you less money, and you good.
Hey, I got moringa tea with pomegranate. I got a shitload of that. Moringa. Moringa. I got a herbal tea. It's a green tea with pomegranate. That shit give me laser focus. Like, I got a shitload of tea in the house, man. You should see. Like, I would never imagine my house would be looking like this. Like, I got crazy shit in here. So,
damn, okay.
So as much as we are looking at, buying stocks and shares, my advice to everyone out there, hey, look into the alternative way of medicine. Try as much as possible. Consume as much greens as you can, especially those products with the high ORAC values or the ORAC levels that like moringa, spirulina, for high energy performance, stuff like that. You need ginkgo and ginseng. Ginseng is very good. It's natural. You can get it. It doesn't matter.
Keep the yin up.
And get your energies up, boosted. Get your health. Get your liver. For liver, you can get something like what's the name? Dandelion. Yeah, dandelion is very good for liver, and for kidney. You can just stick with moringa. It will do you a lot of good.
Hey, they got plant-based liquor coming out too, so I'll keep y'all posted on that. But
don't they already got a liquor that's made from potatoes? I think Tito's is already made just from potatoes or something like that. Got no sugar in it or nothing like that.
They got plant-based.
Tito's is made from potatoes, man. They do something with it. I don't know if anybody drink vodka, but that's another one I was on. But anyway, y'all inspire me right now, man. I'm thinking about trying vegan stuff out. I never looked at vegan stuff like that at all. Let's keep going.
Hey, I can take you to the spot, bro. We'll do it today. I'll take you today.
All right.
Hey, Javo TV's username on Twitter is TVJavo. It's backwards.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I've been telling people Javo TV, but we new to we don't really believe in the social media stuff, man. But you have to exist nowadays. You have to have something where people can get you on a platform. Good looking, Spirit Bear.
Oh, mine's is Holla_Silk, all lowercase. Holla_Silk, Brandy.
Yeah. Anyway, we're a little bit over the run time, so we're gonna get this last message and
I was able to follow Silk Holla and Javo. Their Twitter link is if you click on their faces, it'll take you to their Twitter page. No problems.
Yeah, see, y'all telling us stuff we didn't even know, man. But I see we nearing the end of the show, man. I really, 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 really appreciate everybody who tunes in every Monday and Wednesday, especially our regular listeners and the new listeners that we got today. Like we always say, we come on Mondays, Wednesdays, 9 a.m., 30 minutes before the stock market opens. We talk about stocks, we talk about cryptocurrency, and we talk about how you can make some money and put some money in your pocket now. And then we talk about long-term investments too. So anytime you guys tune in, if you got something you want to share, you share it to the community, and in turn, the community is going to take care of you back, what you guys have done. I think he said he made $500 off of what you said today, Silk, and you're going to make some money off of what Spirit Bear gave us in the gym, I think of 2 shows ago when he told us about BTPZI or something like that. That's the over-the-counter stock. But anyway,
yeah.
But anyway, that's going to make him some money. And in turn, we all make money for each other. So I appreciate everybody in the room right now. And wish me luck today, guys. I'm about to go up to this job, find out what's going on. And most likely, we'll talk about that on Wednesday. Anything, sir?
All right. Peace out. Peace out, man. I'm ready to get my day activated. I appreciate everybody coming out. See y'all Wednesday. We're gonna post it early. Make sure y'all share it with y'all friends. We're gonna get this money together, man. Appreciate it.
Get us good, man. Share this. See y'all later.